my God!
Ow!
Oh my God! Oh my goodness. Baby, are you hurt? Is anything broken? Ah! You're scratched! Are you blind? How dare you scratch my baby? How dare you scratch my car?
Excuse me.
Excuse what? Excuse what? You scratched my car with your stinking body and you're asking me excuse me. Are you crazy? Jeez. Oh, baby. Thank you, God, that it's just a little scratch. Are you blind or
No, you are the one who is blind. You almost run me over with your car and you even have the effort to slap me. Are you crazy?
How dare you tell me I'm crazy? Are you mad? Are you mad? You thank your God that's just a little scratch, else I would have made you regretted waking up this morning. Do you know who I am? No one talks to me with such disrespect. And I better not set my eyes on you again. You useless, hopeless non-entity. You're crazy. And I will make sure you don't complete your service. How dare you with your sticky body touch my car? Oh, baby. Sorry, baby. And you, this little brat. I will make sure you don't complete your service. You will know who you dared by bringing your stinking body to my baby. Come on, get lost. Church rats.
Thank you for always providing for us. We bless the hand that prepared this food. We bless those that will partake of it. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Prayer goes straight to God. This is sumptuous. So delicious.
Thanks, love. You know what I've made of.
Of course. I know.
I'm glad you like it.
Derek?
Yes, Dad.
I pulled some strings and it appears you are going to serve at the company. That's what you wanted, right?
Yes, Dad. Thank you very much, Dad.
Congrats.
That's not fair. When I wanted to serve, you allowed them to send me all the way to Lagos, and now you're allowing this coconut head serve at the company.
When you were sent to Lagos, we were expecting you will return with a rich Yoruba husband, but you failed woefully. 29 and you're still living with your parents.
At least when I was your age, I was already editor-in-chief in Parental media. I'm not spoiled and entitled like you.
What is wrong with both of you? Your father is sitting right here And you're disrespecting him and acting like children? What? Sorry. I am so disappointed.
Sorry, Mom.
Finish the fish, this now your own.
Mama, I'm doing the fish with the babies now.
You were. Alright, you talk like electric shock.
I'm to go chop fish now. I'm going to chop.
You said?
I'm going to chop fish.
Computer. You know, so this game, be the best way to go save us from poverty for this house. You don't know. You know, Nabi?
Mama. Hey God. You make me laugh. Okay, see, wait. I go share the fish. It go do all of us. Yeah? So no problem. Okay, Mama, don't share now. I don't solve problem. Oh yeah, I know one call it. Give me everybody chop.
You read can you put her for your mouth to the eater. You the eater, Abi? Put her down.
Mama, leave him now.
Put her down. You don't look me. I said put her down. Can't be like old layer. Wait, no freeze. You the craze. Idiot. We don't stop this or finish now. One won't go eat for every time. You go find the one. Where you go take go join that one. Where you go eat, Abi? So your jaw. Do first like rope when they take the time marine.
Mama, leave Joseph.
I know they leave her.
Joseph. Mama, wait now. If I'm a small picking in Binos a bit. Take me your mind. See you.
Put the fish down. Put the fish down. Put the fish down.
Mama, leave her.
If your head, I put her for your mouth again. Try ya. Make me allow scatter your job for you doesn't know shit. Where you go to chop that fish? You the craze. Or one way ya. Drop the fish. I said drop the fish. I go start to follow you. Drop her.
Mama, leave Joseph.
You go drop her, me no go drop her. Nonsense. Oh gee. Ah bah. The shop now you swell up like boa with the cash when the electric wire cash. Idiot. When you shop this one finish, the one who call it for him that they give empty by go greet her. See face. Old layer. Don't call my name. What is going to be Nangma? Nonsense. This is a yard they look. This one where you don't matter finish. He go and go some again.
My mama, wait, leave her.
Okay. When they put out your spoon for the rice, not let the spoon full. Half spoon, I go to go inside your belly because if you full, I remove your teeth. One more one. Ajibo, if you talk.
I don't demand me.
Yes, now you don't tire now because I don't color the fish. Now I make you tire. You won't leave for you. They eat a boy. You the catch fish. You don't buy net before.
Oh, Mama, she's still. I'm over.
Cut small, come out. Put the menu over. Put that back.
No, Mama, leave Joseph. Never make him choke.
Your cup go full for this house. I be like rope when they work for MPA. So you always job do. Go. Your mate they carry block. Go carry block. They eat.
Mama, I don't like you again now.
You the Chris. You know where you when the man finish, I go see you again. You the Chris. Now you hide, take it to do ritual. Join to train my picking.
I never chop anything.
You the Chris. Don't hold your hands so rich. 010. You remaining below go take a gun ground like lizard way for 3 corner. Idiot. When you dey go Calabar?
1 week. 1 week time. And Mama no be Calabar dey go. I don't tell you before say na Akwa Ibom. Akwa Ibom and Calabar no be the same thing.
The same thing.
Mama no be the same thing. Akwa Ibom dey different, Calabar dey different.
Kate na the same thing. Either you take am from back or you take am from front. Either it be Akwa Ibom or Ibom Kala. Anyone who you call her,
Mama, no go talk am outside though.
Okay.
They go laugh you.
Okay.
Now, Akwa Ibom dey go. Calabar dey different.
Calabar, Akwa Ibom, Aqua.
Joseph, see, go bring that food, many food ready for pot. Let's this one no go just.
Hey! Akba! Sit down!
Where food plenty for pot.
You want to you dey go? Hey, they stroll like Baba. Sit down. Idiot, you be idiot. No work. You really go before. You go carry out the menu and come. So they go eat all of them at once. You dey face. I go tell this food to do koboko for your face. That's my idiot.
My lord, they mark me.
So you really dey go kitchen before go carry the mini pot come?
Mama, sure if I go service now, Joseph will take care of you.
You dey Chris. Enough it. So you get up before you dey waka go kitchen go carry the menu and come. Therefore, every day you go chop wetin. You go chop your head. I'm not blaming you. Not be your fault oh. Try next time. You know some money not this house. At the eye where I tell they looking so look me first. Now so it be. So that people find they don't see I take you to ritual. You Chris.
Hey, Mama. Uncle John, welcome.
Yeah. How is our fresh graduate doing?
I'm doing great.
Mama.
I heard you were sick. I'm glad you're doing great now.
You can see me now, eh? Okay,
I'm happy you're fine.
Is your mother in?
No, she went to the market to buy corn that will sell later in the day. So I'm going to the market to buy food stuff.
Oh, well, it's okay. I was just passing by. Just let me see your mother, eh? Okay?
I'll tell her.
Okay, now.
I'm glad you're
Chai, our fresh graduate. Where do you Where Maka? Okay.
Why is everywhere in my house dusty? The curtain, the tables, the chairs? Why? I said, why is it dusty? I said, if I argue you right now, why? Why? Did I pay you to keep my house filthy? To keep my house dirty? Why is my house dirty? Why is everywhere dirty? Why is everywhere dirty, you fools? Why? You can't talk? You fools can't talk! Do I pay you to keep my house dirty? Do you know how much I pay you? You can take care of your generations. Your whole generations! Look at my house. Jeez. What is this? What is this? Titi, what is this? Why is it dirty? Why is my house dirty? Why is it dirty? Why? Answer me! Is that what I pay you for? Why is everywhere in my house dirty? Titi! Do you know how much I bought that chair? That chair, this set of chair cost me 60 million! Have you seen a million in your life before? Do you know what that table cost me? That is 12 million, that set of dining table. So have you heard? Why? Why? Okay, now listen! Hey! You fool! Useless bunch of fools. Now listen to me. Listen, good! I gave you 2 minutes. What did I say? 2 minutes. Now you wash down the whole walls down. Clean! The lights, the tables, the chair, the TV, everything! I said what? 2 minutes. Start now. Yes, now! Start! Yes. Come on! Yes, start. I won't start. See this cotton will be the Nepa pole. I won't take climb now. We get ladder here.
Coming.
Wow. My baby is looking so charming. Oh my God. Whoa. Ha! You look amazing. Have you looked at yourself in the mirror today? This uniform looks so good on you.
Mom, do I really have to wear it? My father literally owns the company.
Yes, my son. It's just for a couple of weeks. So you look as if you're obeying the rules. And people won't see us like because we're rich and very powerful. We are above the law.
And when did you start caring about what people think?
My son, your father is not just a successful businessman. Your father is also a renowned politician. And appearance matters in this family. Laura called yesterday. She's done with her final exams in Harvard. And she'll be back home soon. That girl is so amazing. Smart and intelligent. Imagine studying medicine in Harvard, the best university in the world, and graduating with high grades. Come on, give your mother some accolades. Come on. I chose the best for you. You know what I call her? BBC. Beauty, brain, and class. Come on.
Yeah, we spoke as well.
Oh, you did?
I'm looking forward to seeing her.
I'm also looking forward to seeing her. We're all looking forward to seeing her. I can't wait.
But Mom.
So, okay, you know what? So, sis, you have to hurry up, okay? So,
I don't like this.
This looks so good on you, darling.
Looking so well.
Trust your mommy's judgment. You're looking handsome. I know you're handsome, but this uniform makes you more handsome. You see what? You know what? When you go out to the girls' rush, you want to look at anyone you belong to. Laura. Come on. Just come and take a look. Look at yourself.
Mom, I've seen myself. I know how I look. I'm looking very...
See my son? See my handsome son? You look great. Dang. All right, you know what? Just hurry up, okay? I'll be waiting for you downstairs. Hurry up so you can go eat.
You said plenty money.
And say David sometimes. Hold this one first. Hold on for me, okay?
Mama, no dey squeeze money like this now.
Eh?
Why you dey squeeze money like this?
I say they squeeze. If you not squeeze, it's on the fly.
No.
When they say come, my money you call the fly. Where the fly they go? Before the fly, don't catch her. And hold on. Use 2 and 2 leg take grip her for ground. It is crazy. They are, eh? Okay.
900.
How much?
900.
900. Computer maybe 1,000. That correct? Eh?
Yes.
5, 6, 7. Another 8. Eh? Hold this one. Hold this one. They come. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, so I keep one money for my pillow head there. Okay. 1. Okay. Hola, take.
Make I go keep am for you.
No, hola. Hola, na.
Hold
Hola
on for
first. You go take and join, follow, go yonder now. What if you chop each other?
Ha, no, Mama, na. Mama, no, abeg. I no fit take this money. No be this money you suppose buy come from Mama Abofre hand.
Forget Mama Akpofure. You know, girl, if I go sell for me credit. If I class me sell for me, go sell for me. Forget that side. Take.
No, Mama, I no go fit take the money. I no fit take am. You and Joan, I need this money pass me. Me, I go do all right. I fit take care of myself.
Kate. No be me send you go school. Forget me and Joseph. We go eat.
Mama, that one different. Now, this one I fit manage. I
No
no fit
worry.
take this money.
No, nothing like that. Don't worry. Not look like that. Now your mama. Hola. Mama Akpofure, go give me call. Anytime when I want to come. I don't get problem now. So you hold this one. Because when you reach that, you go eat.
Mama Abofre sabi quarrel with person. No, me she come here now because she dey owe her credit. You go come here, come dey quarrel with you when I don't come out. No, Mama, I no fit take the money. Hold am. You go carry am go buy corn.
Enough, Kate. Look me for eye. You no go fit. You no go fit. You no go fit try. You no get that liver. Now maybe the first person where they go. Nigeria they go. You know how much Nigeria they go? If he come here, I go tell her what to debt to be the case. Sure? If I not buy before I go fix her, give her money, the case. If I go there say, give me a Oliver twist, when I ask, you bring. I sell, I give you. So what if I hold the thing, take? Hungry go pity you. But if hungry pity, you gonna see letter A na 5, 9 days side. You know gonna do every letter A, I be take, hold on now. You dey say, you dey breathe, come down, hold on, before your liver go divide it to 2, hold on. Take her from my hand. Good. One more royal. And again, man, they speak what? You won't shop your tongue for you now. I mean, that's how they beat people for school. We go school that time when he does this, so that they get bunker. You know what I'm saying? We go school. We they buy jet pomade. You know that jet pomade, they don't want carry bottle like that. Then now, if hungry beat you, go fit drink Gary with Gesha. Hold on. Sure? I tell you something, they tell me another thing. Oh, wait for talking. We take a journal.
Mama, need to take that one. This one don't do me. Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you. This one don't do. I need to take that one.
Oh, no worry. I go ahead and say your boss.
Mama, no vex, no shout. I beg. I just want to tell you something. That's when you do that boy become chop corn. You know this.
Hey! Monkey! Closer!
You say you no go shout.
Keep quiet. Arrange that your teeth for example. I cannot arrange that follow you. You dey crazy? Okay. If you get money, go another place, go buy food, you go shop. If you not see hungry, don't bitter, you not see groundnut, you drink garri again. You go on top of my corn. The top of my corn, go dey do it like I work crayfish dey on top of the body. You dey crazy? Many time, and they work for NIFR. What do they call it? I mean credit loan bank. You dey crazy?
No, you say go school.
Why not go school? If I not go school, I not a trained doctor. Anywhere. Make it not you self, not try him again. No. Next time, not try him. If he come, he go buy. When he buy, I save. And when I gather down, over to you. You take go where you go. Then when he come, he go shop. Not let the pepper eye where they do me. Not let me take a face you. Let your head there for your neck. Yeah, I make your neck there for your shoulder. You never I tell you. You can't make sense with that. If you repeat them again. Ow. Talk anyhow.
No good to shout for person. No good. No good.
Daddy. Small ball of soup this side the kitchen there. Akpu now, Just you know what you're talking about maneuver.
I go chop. Just bring.
You go shop, Abi? But I said, go carry across where you want shop, you go divide it into 2.
I know, Mama. Just bring am.
No, so now 0, 1, 0. And we don't divide it to 2 0 1 0. Not cross, go to the other side
bring
of the river
am now
Niger because
before-
the soup go finish.
I know, just bring am come.
Good. I'm going to bring a cup for you.
Mama, bring
Hey! Not repeat that rubbish for me again.
I don't hear
He the person well. Why do face like elephant when they remove it toss?
Mama, I don't
Something the water.
I don't do. Na
When you waka go come, when you reach you go come with your more royal. He something the water. If you near what there, I go plan my eye they pay me. My eye they red.
Drink the soup now.
Nonsense.
Hey!
Say be like Bob Marley. In the session, what do you want cast? What color see me can see me? Wobby, yeah, top.
My neighbor. Mama Katie. Hey!
Hey,
Ah,
dress.
Mama Kate.
Shift.
You don't reach like this?
Shift.
Eh? Mama Kate. What is the problem now?
Papa Kate,
Eh?
carry you come.
Mama Kate, a man I be. You say they push a man, a grown-up man like me. Sharp nigga like me. It's just they push me anyhow. Mama Kate. Mama Kate, a balance so.
Balance we. What you carry you come? Talk.
Mama Kate.
Papa Kate.
Okay, Mama Kate, it's okay. It's okay, we need a quarrel now. We need a quarrel. Now your kid, your daughter carry me come. Oh. Mama Katie, if you look at me, you go know say I don't lean. Since my eyes set on your daughter, Mama Kate, I don't know how my body they do me. Oh. Mama Kate, I know if you sleep. To eat self, I know if you eat. Every day they think about Kate. Katie! Hey! Mama Kate. Mama Kate don't kill me. Oh. Mama Kate. Sorry. Do you know the last time I saw your daughter? My body was doing. Hey! Mama Kate. Mama Kate.
I dey hear you.
Mama Kate.
You can't sing, abi you can't tell me something.
Hey! Mama Kate, it's okay. Mama Kate, all I want, I just want to marry Kate. I want to make Kate my wife.
What do you talk?
Mama Kate. The last time I saw Kate in one car, I just did lick my tongue.
Those your mouth fly, they come. You the Chris? I said the two carry you call and make it up. You reach here, they do like in Bessie when they give wrong injection. What did they leak?
Okay, it's okay. Mama Kate, please allow me to pay some money to Kate's head.
You don't Chris.
So that when Kate come back from...
Hey! I don't want you. You know say you be like Nepa, and you know when they bring like and when they take her. Then they touch me. Because if you touch me, I go range your forehead though.
Mama Kate, nobody's like this now.
Yeah, they talk to me, you go dress. I don't
You nobody's like this, Mama Kate.
You talk the stress and they talk the stress. I go.
We dey fight.
We not the fight.
We don't fight too.
You be like Nepa.
Now marry, I want come marry. I'm ready to pay money to Kate's life. Pay for her head. So that when she come back from youth service, she can come into my house directly.
Your father, your papa, and the papa we born her. When the great grandfather we born now we miss road, come on you.
Hey!
All of them are put together. Now the Chris. You want marry my picky Kate? The only doctor when I get for this life, you won't come marry her. Hey, you jack, I suffer.
Mama,
My God, don't know who they buy her for market. If not for the follow some people go.
Hey!
Mediocre.
Mama, na marry
Okay, now carry you come.
Na marry come marry you.
Now carry you come, eh?
Yes, Mama.
Wait.
You don't accept. Mama, you don't
Now
accept.
we they call suffer multiply times 10. You get liver, take your kidney, join her. Come meet me. Say you are your teeth correct for your mouth.
Mama, look at me, Mama. Look at that fresh. I fresh. I fresh well. And I hold am. Mama Kate, I be odogu. I don't come ezibolo there. Forget about me. Look at looking at pepempe.
If you touch me again, the last time you wait for me. Not my okay. You want marry my pikin abi?
Yes, madam.
Now Kate you find come. Now Kate now you find come. Okay. Usually it's not they go far from the street.
Okay. Make I wait for you.
Wait.
I should wait.
What? You the place. First I go find something on the wait.
Okay, ma, I'm waiting.
You wait.
I'm waiting.
Relax and they come.
Okay.
You know say I never give you what you better call response.
Okay.
Eh? When I come back, I give you feedback. You hear?
Okay, mama.
Eh?
Okay, I'm waiting, mama.
Sit that way.
Mama Katie, where are you, mama? Hey, go down with the pepper. Try.
Go they got you. You never stop. Oh yeah, M-O-V-E, move.
This is madness.
M-O-V-E, move. M-O-V-E, move. M-O-V-E, move all the way, go. Idiot, there they dance Jackie Chan down. One picket when I don't suffer trade. My investment. Now you there when the baby has go go bend and front. Go stretch your leg. That good as a concise miss. Won't be. Another they call you. Now you have to concise you. Madman. They dance like who conversion all miss. Or what? Now small person they train doctor. I try my picket go. You carry yourself waka call like geisha when they not close the thing well. Come back. I think you do sacrifice. Cut you crack fly you go set for junction. Hey, Wobby. Come now make us stretch. The stretch like go back go stretch and come from. You say be like who conversion all for waist. Come back here again. Hey, Wobby. Monkey. Or we got mumu. Do face like beast when sour. Come back here again. Can you wake up? Wobby. No don't.
Why? You changed almost everything, what, 2 months ago?
Oh, yes. I have lots of money sitting around. I should do with it whatever I want to do with it. Do you have a problem with that?
No.
Oh, good.
Well, I met Tony yesterday, and he seems like a really nice guy.
Oh, no. No, please don't go there, please. Oh, no.
You were the one who suggested that I meet with him.
I know. But then that was when there was something. Right now, they're commoners. Riffraffs. Low class. We don't belong to the same class. You know what? They have been dragged into tax fraud. Oh, yes. And to top it all, their family company profit is below 50%. What do you want to do with such low class family? They don't belong to the same class with us, okay? Right now, they're church rats.
Mommy, I'm turning 30 next year. I want to get married. It looks like everybody I bring here is not good enough for you.
Come on, darling. Don't you know what your mother is made of? I've got the connections. I got the money. Have you forgotten who your mother is? I can get you anyone you want. Just like this. Have you forgotten what I did to your brother? I connected him with Loretta Kudo. And I can do that for you, my darling. So forget about that church rat, please. It's not worth it. Hell no. Like, how will people say that my daughter is married to a low class, a commoner, a nobody? Hell no. Oh, please. I need someone that befits your class. Someone that befits our family. Someone with people with class, people with dignity. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but I don't see you playing matchmaker for Derek.
I don't need to, my dear. He and Laura Tukudo, they've been friends for years. They're coming back from the States, and when they get back, the wedding bells will be rolling.
So you're matchmaking everybody in this family now?
Oh, my dear, don't forget I called you for another interior change. So you think about it and get back to me, okay?
Can I go now?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Baby, see what your mother did to me. See my clothes.
My mother?
See my clothes.
My mother did this to you?
She humiliated me. She humiliated you just because I asked of you.
Oh, Mama, what is wrong with her? Now, I've told her always to stop treating people badly. It's okay, stop crying. Let's go. Let me just talk to her. It's okay now, Oga John. Let's go. Let me talk to her. What kind of nonsense is this now? Eh? I've told her severally, stop treating people like they are trash. Stop touching me. Mama.
Baby, no verse for me. You the verse? No verse for your bobo See, man, I tell you, see that time when you come so, I now call her, they try make. I try call okay for village, make I know whether I feel send them that money. That money I think I don't they gather. I want send them. Make I know whether I have the house so that mansion when I tell you I the big build for village. Whether I go help me go complete them. I be no one answer madam again.
Hey!
Hey! Abia.
Collect this one.
Collect.
Calm down.
It's sweet. It's sweet.
You want another one?
You want
My baby.
I feel like
See my thing, but next time, no they come do that kind of thing. You see, camera there everywhere. I be one madam catch us.
it will not be my fault.
Now this my body. I don't know what in this body they do. Every time I go there miss you. I go dey think about you. Even madam go dey tell me, hey, Melissa, my brain,
No be my fault.
Obia. Oh my. Hi.
Homie.
I be, you know say that titi girl, if you can't catch us, or she go tell madam.
which kind of nonsense be that?
Which kind?
Oh, wait oh. You dey run package with Titi?
Person no fit follow you joke. Calm down now.
Me, I no understand this kind talk.
Calm down.
You know, see say I thick.
You know, say na me and you now. You thick, me I can't sleep. Na me and you match. Now you be my love. Yes. Hey, my very baby. Anytime when I see you, they make like I just begin to chop you. Make I chop you.
No be these people wey dey here, this madam, you go dey chop me every day.
You mean I'm?
No.
Eliza!
You hear that? Jesus, madam, my eyes.
Clean this place!
I don't suffer.
What happened?
Hey! People they sell here, they not see here now they forget say come. At least if you not gain for here, go gain for here. One idiot! Waka come meet me for here. They waka like
Mama, what is it now? Wetin happen? Shey I don tell you say make you no dey treat people anyhow.
Hey, man, keep quiet!
Mama,
Shut up, your mother!
keep quiet, abeg. No dey tell me keep quiet. Why you dey do people anyhow like this? See the kind of dirty water wey you carry pour Oga John. You like am so? You like as grown up man dey cry like that? Sex dey smell everywhere like pig. Which kind of water? I no water dey for backyard since 3 days. That guy poor person.
Kate, now man dey talk like this, so you know.
Mama Juliet, I know say na my mama dey talk.
Wait.
your teeth correct for your mouth.
No, which time you give am backhand laugh?
Mama, I know they like this thing. I don't like am. No, they do. I mean, no good.
You know what you tell me for you? You work out on say he won't marry you. Yes, sir. No believe that one. I go inside house, come outside, come say I dey demonstrate like Jackie Chan. Whether they circumcise and wrong, I don't know. Say like so you ain't go take sleep for us. My belly turn, my eye turn.
Wait, Mama, ma hear you. Say he want marry me.
Hey, nobody marry. Say go live. Nah, son. Oh, you shock? I do for body. What are you? What they call her irritating?
Why you look at my seat?
That dirty water waiting for back. I will do start yesterday, so I take a baptizer. You're going on the bond dog, I trust you.
Oga John, come. Yes, come.
Come.
Come, no dey fear. My mama no dey bad like that. Now people just they misunderstand her. She no be bad person. Mama no dey vex. I don't tell you say make you dey treat people well. They bring your mind down. You know good. As you do and they cry, now you like am.
No.
You know good. Oga John, no dey cry.
Baby, you should not cry.
No dey cry. My mama tell me say you talk say you won't marry me.
I won't marry you.
You won't marry me.
I swear. I will take care of you.
But sure you get wife for us and 3 children.
Which one? That one?
That
one with the house?
That one you call wife? That one not my wife, oh. Now my man arrange a woman for me. You know, when I did small, in my tender age, as only son now, now my mother go package that woman for me. But now, I'm a man now. I've grown up. I'm fit. I'm old enough to know what I want.
No wahala.
And now here I want. Baby, now here I want. I won't marry you.
No problem. I go marry you, but you go first give me time. Make I talk to my mama so that
you go marry me.
I won't make her understand. Because my mama there, no say she no dey like, she no go understand that. Okay. When I talk to her finish, she go understand.
I don't suffer for that woman hand.
Sit down.
You see that woman? She not even sabi cook. Not even food. Hi. She cannot cook. I'll be purging every day I eat that woman food. Sorry. Even on the bed. That woman will just like this. She gonna say, Johnny don't die. Johnny don't die. Johnny don't die. Johnny don't die. Johnny don't want.
Sit down there. Make I rub mind with my mama. You know, say she dey listen to me well. If I talk to her, she go understand.
Talk to them.
Sit down.
Talk to them.
I dey come.
Oh, baby, make I sit down.
Sit down. Come on for son, eh?
Here.
Sit down.
Here.
Mama,
make I
sit down.
We dey come, eh?
Sit down, no verse, yes, sit down.
Mama.
No, they hold on, sit down. Where did you feed the loss? Sit down, they come.
Mama. Make I sit down.
Sit down. No worry, will they come back?
You want my wife?
Sit down. Not be wife, you want marry.
No,
I said make you sit down, you dey fear.
What we go discuss?
Wait, you go talk the matter, even have to follow leader and give you, make you carry go.
Like mother and daughter.
Okay, I'm sitting down. I'll wait. Okay. I'll wait, Mama.
Oga John.
What do you carry?
Hey, where you dey go? Where you dey go? Where you dey go? Where you dey go? Go back there, go back there. Go meet them. You must marry. There, na papa. Stop one. Zero. Another Boko. Wow. Leave. No, we tire. Take it up. Now be wife you want marry. One good runner. Only wife.
My friend, wait.
Tie leg.
Baby,
I will start going. You don't know anything.
You want marry me?
Tire. Hey, sit down, baby.
You won't marry me. You won't marry me.
Baby.
You won't marry me.
This one's sweet.
Yes.
This one's sweet.
I think you dey do like this.
You won't marry me.
You dey do like this. If for no beg, don't come meet you. No cocker, don't give me. Don't the conk man. No cover it. Hey.
Just see my body now. Just see my body. I don't know wetin be that woman problem. Every time she go dey vex, she go dey fold her face as if she be winch. She go dey bone. I be her problem. I don't do her anything. She carry juice pour me, just like that. Can you imagine? What is that woman's problem in this house? Now we talk say make she no see husband marry. Now who go marry her? No. Now who go marry her? You know they see her face. How person go dey whole face like person wear shit dey in nash. Now who go marry her? With that kind of face, nobody go marry her. No go there. This one pay me. He pay me well. He pay me. Do. My own be say the only person for this house who I like no Oga Derrick. You see that man? I like Oga Derrick well. He get on wahala, but I love that man well. I like him. Oga Derrick. Open your eye. Open am. You say hi. Okay, so Oga Derrick for your eye. Come up am. Remove am. Olodo. You as you dey like this. So as you be like a one. You want your gathering. See that your old papa where they for village. If he sell himself, sell everything when he gets since when they born am till this age where they now. Come sell you, we stand here join. Come sell your future. Now be say if you get future, if sell everything where concern you, you don't even reach Ogaderi Sepas.
Which kind of
reach?
that one?
So as you be, you like Ogaderi.
Which kind talk with that one?
Hey, come on.
Which kind talk with that one?
Like I tell you, when you stop this way they do, she dey tell you the truth.
Oh.
You like Ogaderi? Ogaderi no be your type. Why you dey even talk? You not even supposed to talk. No dey shame.
I don't blame you. Now because me and you wear uniform, they work at this company. I don't blame you. It's not your fault. It's not your fault.
Hey, Muna, they talk small, I beg. You too shout. If madam,
No, why I no go shout? No, be like Sam.
See, if madam hear you, I go deny you.
Why I no go shout? Why water no dey?
Not be the shame when I make you bring up for me that not be this. Now this shame now you for bring one for take time. Idiot! Suffer job begin finishing and that monkey. Now I won't come marry pikin. I not blame her. Now the shame there. Why the shame keep up because and I saw this idiot they do. What be that? Eh?
Mama Joe, come, Joe don't keep person.
Hey, Mama, Joe.
Mama Joe.
Wait.
Joe don't keep person.
Come on. Mama, make you don't follow.
No, not to come. Not to come. Wait there. For where? Up where? Which one? You don't like this man wait now? You don't go wait. Hold your nika. You don't like it finish, you're being idiot.
Nah, they calm down. You don't nearly keep person still, they vibrate like generator wey don spoil. You go they calm down, guy.
Mama Joe, see what your picking to me. You won't kill me, oh. See my face. Ay. Mama Joe won't kill me.
You know where? You never do you reach. You know the shame. See your face, you know the shame. Small picking like that, now you follow the fight. You don't know yourself.
Mama, stop now. Stop.
You don't know yourself.
Mama, stop. Stop, I beg.
You know the shame at your age, now you follow fight. Idiot. Say I be.
Mama, no like this.
Say Mama Joe.
Stop, I'm no good. Joseph, what's happen?
Now leave me. If you see this guy there since they talk about you. Say, hey, you won't get lost and they will chook you.
Oh, shut up. And they talk, you see they talk. What did they worry you for head? Shebi, I don't want you plenty time say make you know they fight for road. No matter anything where person talk, no matter anything where you hear for road, make you know they fight for road. You know they hear what?
One day yesterday they talk say na no show na my sister they do for school since we make her take pay school fees. Why no go shook here?
What did you talk just now? Repeat that. You say?
Why I supposed to shook here?
Repeat that for be like dead body when not die well. What did you talk?
What did you talk now?
Who?
What did you talk? Say no show na my sister.
You say now my pikin now no show you. You just said joke, open your mouth.
Mama, wait. Mama, stop. Don't do it.
Say my pikin when I stop at the train.
You don't do.
When they say corn, say they go school. Now you open your mouth and talk rubbish.
Joseph. No, just try anything again.
No, leave me. Leave me alone.
Mama, no, tomorrow they go house, I beg.
I don't blame you. You go pass this street again. They say wait for her for doctor.
Where could they go?
Wait for her.
You know they have it.
No, they can't wait. They say wait for her. Remove your head.
Mama, stop.
They say remove your head. Come on, for body.
This way they do now. We dey outside now. No, they do this thing.
Don't worry.
We go house. Mama, stop now. Stop.
Oh, okay. Get me out.
Mama, stop.
Hey.
Mama, rest. Mama, go house. Mama, no do. Oh, Mama, stop.
Give her.
I bet Muna help me. Mama, rest.
Joe,
Take your slippers.
Nonsense. You dey crazy.
Do you know that Joe broke someone's head earlier today?
So I heard.
I equally heard that the person he hurt said bad things about you.
It doesn't matter, Juliet. It does not matter. No matter what that person said, he doesn't have the right to break his head. Honestly, I'm just tired. And I cannot even wait to make enough money so I can take them out of the slum. I swear to God, I will be one of the most distinguished journalists in this country. Because I'm just tired of the whole thing.
Kate.
What is it?
You're stretching it a lot. You're dreaming too big. All you should just pray for is an easy and comfortable life for you and your family. I graduated from the School of Law, right? I had high hopes and dreams like you. Well, look at me. I am a charge and bail lawyer sitting down here with you.
Well, that's your case. That's not my case. I am passionate about journalism.
Mama, welcome.
Thank you.
Did you buy the drugs?
Yes, I buy them. Kate, where are Mama?
She's inside.
Mama Kate! Mama Kate!
See, I am very passionate about journalism. And I believe that with journalism, I can change a lot in this country. Yes, I will expose the truth. And those corrupt politicians, they will see the other side of a journalist. You know what they say? That the pen is mightier than the sword.
This is the list of the meals you'll be serving tomorrow.
Okay, madam.
Make sure all the ingredients are available.
Okay.
If you need to get more things, go to the groceries before it's late. What did I say? Go and get more things.
Okay, ma.
And why is this standing there? Now get out!
Sorry, ma.
Sorry for your stupid self. What are you still doing here?
Madam, no vex. Madam,
Speak up! Who's wasting my time?
Sorry. Madam, you know say I no go school.
So what's my business if you don't go to school? What is my business if you're a stupid, poor illiterate? How does that affect me? What is my business about it? Speak up! Stop wasting my time.
Madam, the thing be say, I don't understand that word, glow something, glow.
Come, let me tell you what it is. Come. Come, let me tell you what it is.
Madam,
Come here, let me tell
you. Madam,
look up. Listen. Grocery is a shop where they sell foodstuffs and varieties. Varieties!
Madam, I don't hear nothing. Get out! I don't hear. Madam, I know not true. I don't hear.
Now get up.
Yes, ma.
Quick! What? Hey, say, get up. Now, do you know what it is? Do you know how much I got these ties? I bought this for 9.5 million. Did you hear me? 9.5 million. Now go get mop, put disinfectant and air freshener, liquid air freshener. Do you know what liquid air freshener is? Put it and then come and mop it clean.
Okay,
thoroughly.
Madam. Okay, madam.
Jeez. Hey, come back. When last did you take your bath? I said, when last did you take your bath?
Madam, it be like say na 2 nights ago.
Oh my God. 2 nights ago. Oh, now I see why everywhere is stinking. My ties, oh my God. Now go and get mom this place.
No vex, no be my fault.
It's my fault.
Sorry, ma. Hey, ma, no vex.
Come on. Go and get mama, come on. Oh my God. Where did I get this bunch of fools from? How? Where did I get these fools? This illiterate bunch of fools. Nikompu. Stop. Oh my God.
Mommy, there have been several cries by the people to the government for them to do something about the Nyangedem roundabout. It's in ruins, and an accident frequently happens on that road because of the damages on the road.
And how is that your father's problem? Is it the government?
He is a senator of the district. And to make matters worse, the government have approved and released funds for this project.
This is not the first time we have been swallowing projects money. So why are you bothering me with it? I mean, is the money we've been eating that making you look so fresh and beautiful and fat? We've all been enjoying the money. So why is it a problem?
The people are aware that the project was supposed to be greenlit, and they're making a lot of noise.
Then silence them. Pinnacle is the biggest newspaper company in this country. And that is where you are made the editor-in-chief. Silence them. Make them stop talking. Make your father look good. That is why you're there. Hello? So please, can you just excuse me? I was actually going through a new set of furniture I need to change and the contents. Yenem came to me with some disturbing news about the Nyangedem roundabout project.
Ah, come on. That's nothing. Those people don't have a voice. Inem should release something in the media about my good works and grand gestures. It will distract people from this. That is why I invested money in the news agency in the first place.
That's exactly what I told her.
What about Derek?
Oh, Derek is doing fine.
I'm really proud of that boy. He doesn't give me any problems at all. My rivals are always being dragged along the mud because of their children. After he's done serving, I will get him a spot in the government house.
Enem is doing well too. She also has interest in politics.
Well, we've done enough for her. She has a job. All that is left is for her to get married and move to her husband's house. She's almost 30 and why is she still unmarried?
Enem has her flaws, like everyone else. And some of the men I have matched her weight cannot stand her flaws.
This is becoming embarrassing. Anyway, just contact one of the politicians beneath me. Tell them you want your son to marry your daughter. They will force him to do it, just to gain favor from me.
Her career is nothing if she is unmarried.
Well,
as a woman who makes a man of his marriage,
we'll see how it goes.
Yes. Dad, smile. Just smile a bit. Smile. Aha. Smile more. Good. Good. No, Dad. I don't like it. Change another style. Yes. I like this one. Aha. I like it. Dad. Good. Okay, Dad. You, wave your hand. Like you are greeting your people. Hello, my people.
Hello, my people.
God.
Good.
Got it.
Let me see them.
Come and see. You see?
Wow.
Very fine.
This is fine.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Look at this one. This one is so fine.
Good.
This one.
Yes. But this one is better.
Okay, you love this one more?
Yes.
Okay. Look at this one. This one is so fine.
Yeah, this is fine. Let's go to the next one.
This
one.
one.
Yes, this one is good.
You are looking like a senator.
Look at it. Just scroll. This one is better.
Okay, you like this one more?
Yes, it's better.
Okay.
Like well, no, I prefer the previous one. Okay. The one I made like this.
Yes. And I'm going to caption it as my family time is my favorite time.
That is great. That is great. Son.
Dad.
Aside the caption, I'll need you to talk to your numerous followers, okay? That they should go to the polling unit physically and vote for me come next year.
Of course, Dad, I will. I don't even need to. I mean, the people know you. They know you very well. They know that you are the best thing that has happened to this country in a very long time. My friends keep talking about you. The media, they keep praising you every now and then, saying lots of good things about you. Unlike all those political talks, those political scumbags. You're better than them. Father, you are the real deal. You are talk of the town. Everybody keeps praising you, so nothing to...
There are a lot of things I'll teach you about politics.
Okay.
Yes. Don't believe in media hype. They can say a lot of things about you. They say something, they do something else. So they must go physically to the polling unit to vote. That is the only way you can guarantee you're winning. Okay?
Yes, my senator.
Good. And I sincerely hope that you are going to follow in my footsteps.
Of course, Dad, I will.
Good.
Yes.
Go and get me drink. I want to tell you something.
Dad.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to tell me something?
Of course, yes.
All right, no problem.
For them. I clean up their mess. I built Pinnacle Media from a small news house to an international news empire. But they don't see me. They see me as nothing. Derek has contributed nothing to this family, and yet he's the golden child.
Yes, my name is Kate Bono. Oh yes, I received it. Okay, I'll be coming in a few days' time. No, I am not staying in the Corpus Lodge. I have an accommodation outside there. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. I am so excited. I'll be working for Pinnacle Media Company. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Bye. Yes!
Kate!
Ma?
Waiting!
Mama, nothing.
Nothing? And you sound like who they learn how to cross. What happened?
Mama, nothing.
Now they let my heart they fly you.
Sorry, ma.
Huh? Sure? Now they shut on you, you be asking?
Yes! I will be working for the best media company in the country.
do your face like that? I buy a bag for you. New bag. Big one. You fine, no?
Mama, we shouldn't have. I get bags already. Why go buy another one now?
Kate, not they talk like that. And then your bag now you want use for your bag. You go use that one for your bag now. You go buy a new one for you. Rich, go take am. You don't understand.
Thank you.
Who there house?
Who be that?
Mama na Juliet oh.
They come. Enter, they come. What do you put for my girlfriend?
Mama, leave her.
Juliet.
Good afternoon.
Ooh, welcome. How you doing?
Fine.
Join us. No go chop.
I go chop.
Sit down. I go bring more. Come. Sit down. Oh yeah. They chop. I they come. I they come here. My barrister Juliet. Doctor, I they come on the shop. I they come now.
Which kind of trouble be all this one? Which kind of wahala be all this one? I don't agree saying na 010. What be all this one? Just waka come in the middle of one person they eat. This food I don't plan, and by 11 o'clock we go shop the other one. Just waka come go like small sheep. Now bad thing to make friend again. Shop for you, go shop for you, go shop for you. They pack them small, half a half. I know they like all this kind of thing. I don't like am at all. Nigeria don't change. And 101, how would they do now?
You still haven't done that. Can we talk about it later? My brother is here.
Juliet.
Ma.
My barrister. Hello. Say plenty. Oh yeah. Hawk. Oh yeah. Yeah, make they eat. Now they eat. Get up. Stand up for that. Go stand for that side. Men sit down for that side. Eat the grace. I won't stand for that. For that instruction, stand there. Stand there. Instruction on from there. Oh yeah. Huh? Hey! You want to sit down at the table? You want me to? I'll come sit down for you. Sit down. Oh yeah, sit down for you. Chop. Yeah, bend your hand. I know say no go eat well. You don't thief out the meat when the soup finish. Yeah. You no shop, you know the shop. Yeah. By now, I go able to control the akpu self. If you cut her, I go to control your hand. If you want to shop too much akpu, I will draw you. So you go. That's the street, and my belly the street. Doctor, barrister. Hey! How can I work? They eat. You're crazy. Stop, Gary. Come back. What did they wait? Now where's my time? Hey, you want to carry meat? You where?
Kate.
Yeah?
I am really disturbed.
About what?
You know your mother still thinks you studied medicine and surgery.
Juliet, is that why you're worried? Truth is, I cannot tell her.
Kate.
What?
Does she not know the years difference?
Well, she knows whatever I tell her.
Kate.
What? No, what do you want? After 7, I will get a good job. Yes, and I'll send her money for upkeep. That's the only thing she wants. So I don't know why you're worried.
Kate, you know your mother is not the kind of person you should do this kind of things with.
What do you want me to do? No, what do you expect? That I tell her, my mother would have never agreed for me to study journalism. She thinks it's a waste of time and resources, and you expect me to go tell her the truth? No, I can't do that now, Juliet.
You know, with the way this economy is, a professional course is the best path. Now tell me, how many millionaire journalists have you seen? How many of them have you seen?
It's not about the money. It's about my passion. What I want, what I love to do. That's what I want to do. That's what gives me satisfaction. It's not about the money.
Kate, this is for your mother. She literally thinks you're her investment. She sees you as her way out of poverty. Don't you understand this? Don't you get it?
We're saying the same thing. I will get a job after service, and that is it. Can you let me now read? Thank you.
Copper we, hey, Copper John. Man, this is 7/7. You don't be a cap, don't be a show, don't be a show more. 7/7. My guy. Man, this copper clothes look good on you, bro.
I beg, leave that thing. It's still not formality now. Yeah? Doesn't make sense.
Which one be formality matter? How many people they feel they wear copper uniform, my guy? See now, you don't do 7/7. Come on, I envy you, my guy. At least you've made your family, you know. You don't make them proud, bro. Show up. Let's toast to. Sorry, copper. We are beg. I beg, no vex. You know my guy now, no vex. Put chest now. Chest to, you know. So after like this now, you don't start work. Sure, you know. After you're able to sign in today.
I just went there to sign in and left. Shit is very stressful.
You just went to sign in and left, my guy. Man, as you do like this now, anything when you want to do now, you do normally now. I understand. And man, talking about stress, that shit is very, very stressful. At least you should have just exempt yourself from service.
My father really wanted me to do it, just to prove a point. So, I'm left with no choice.
Oh, I see. All the same, you're doing well. You're doing well, bro. And what about Laura?
Laura.
Yeah.
She's coming back soon.
Wow, man. Damn it! That baby's hot! That baby's fucking hot, man.
Ben, what's wrong with you?
I'm just complimenting your girl.
Mama, no. Mama, I am not traveling out of the country. I'm just going for NYSC. Smile now. I'll come back before you know it. I'm going to make money, plenty money. So smile. Joseph, you too. You.
I know they cry now. Sound.
Sound. Which sound? Sound when enter your eye since now I enter your eye. Mama, let's go. I'll come back before you know it. Let's go now. The keke man is waiting for me.
Time na money. You use your time well. No waka. Money no dey fall from heaven. Orinando. Hey. Time na money, eh. Time na money. You use your time well. No waka. Money.
My love.
What is it?
You get something I won't show you.
What be that?
I won't show you something inside there.
Eh? What be that now? Oh, you said the wash motor now.
And leave this thing.
Madam Ka. Oh no.
Leave her now. You know what make I show you? I want show you something now. Come first. Come make I show you.
You mean now? Baby, see, the love when I get for you, it be like Jackie Chan. In fact, this love is strong past commando. Hey,
I know.
See, this love, it be like secret love.
I know say you love me well. I know.
You mean
you for body.
You mean So you know?
I know.
Confirm. See, like this, I no want make anybody know about this love.
Me. If I tell anybody about this love, I might die.
Oh, my.
I don't tell anybody.
God,
me and you.
Hey. See, I get intention. Yes. This intention, I don't dey nurture them. They package them. They come.
They do. So they speak English when waiting be intense. I don't know. Waiting be the thing. Tell me. No, they speak English. When
you want know?
I won't know.
You should say you want know.
I know.
Oh yeah, smile. See, ma tell you, this intention, you should say you know.
I won't.
You won't know. Oh yeah, smile.
Okay, my lady, I'll be with you soon, okay? I'll be right there. Yeah, sure. Titi! You're very stupid, are you, Titi? Come go get that stupid, poor useless girl for me.
See, this intention, I want to marry you.
I go marry. Leave Eliza. Leave all of them here. Go my husband now. So me, I go come become madam of the house.
Oh, mama. See, as I just marry so, I carry you come up for this nonsense place.
And me, I go employ Eliza. Go begin the work for me.
Yes.
With the wash plates.
Yes.
So that gets to
and I know say you go like title. I go call you my landlady. My everything.
I go get big motor like
yes.
madam. I go the way.
Oh, you don't know so I get mansion? I get big mansion with
Hey, you dey here since. Hey,
Eliza, why they do like this?
Hey.
Now? Why they Titi,
you don't die. Today, you don't die. Tomorrow na your burial. As I dey see you so. So, you know here where madam they call you since. Hey.
You say waiting, madam they come.
Since so. You know they hear them. Titi.
Where is this girl? You come here. You're very stupid. How dare you? You stupid girl. Why don't I get you when I need you? You poor church rat. Sorry for your silly self, idiot. Now listen, I'm going out. Get these shoes to order to polish for my husband. And make sure he does it very well, okay? This shoe is Balenciaga. This shoe is what your generation presently, generation to come, okay? So handle it very well. As a matter of fact, come. See, I don't want that your dirty, silly hand to touch it. Now, hold it. Hold it. Gently. I said your hand shouldn't touch it. That shoe is worth millions. Don't you hear me? Do you know how much is that shoe? I got this shoe from Milan, Italy. Are you stupid? Now make sure it's well polished. And then take it to my husband, okay? Get out.
say my ear don't come out. Titi, you don't suffer, God. You don't suffer. This was no fault. Hold on! Hold on!
Baby. That's why I don't small rich. You can't find me the good. You don't see me for here.
You don't understand what they do me. See this shoe I carry like this. Madam say, may I give you this shoe. Say, may you punish this shoe. Where? May you punish this shoe.
You mean am? Make I punish am?
Punish am. Where? They hear me though. I don't want to receive another beating. Punish this shoe. Where? Be like say the shoe don't fuck up. Carry and as they carry am, may your hand no touch am. No as I take carry am.
Come on.
No, they do this mumuti way they do. I tell you, say I collect beating for this shoe matana.
Madam say make I punish am.
Where?
If you like say the shoe don't fuck up.
You don't fuck up. I don't tell you, say if you like say the shoe fuck up. Carry am, punish am where?
Wetin come be my work for this compound now?
Now you know, no touch am as you want punish am. And they say if you punish am finish, carry am go give Oga jeje. Go report as you take punish am.
You mean am?
No touch am as you take punish am.
You don't fuck up. You don't fuck up. You collect. Woto. I dey talk small. Wetin come be my work for here?
Hello, Kate.
Yes, Fumi, I just got to the park.
You're at the park already? Okay, you know what? Leave the park, okay? Yes, leave the park to the junction. My cab man is coming to pick you. I gave him your number. Yes, dear, yes. Okay, alright. I can't wait to see you. Yeah, sure. Hey, Kate. Wow, I can't wait for real. I can't wait. Tayo, please be fast.
Sure, say I punish this shoe, where? You sure say I punish this shoe? The way Oga go like am? Correct. Yes. By the time Oga see this shoe, he will increase my salary. Oh yes. Let's go there. Yes. Nice job. Oh my man. Oga needs to see this shoe and thank me for a job well done. Oh my man. Yes.
my God!
Ow!
Oh my God! Oh my goodness. Baby, are you hurt? Is anything broken? Ah! You're scratched! Are you blind? How dare you scratch my baby? How dare you scratch my car?
Excuse me.
Excuse what? Excuse what? You scratched my car with your stinking body and you're asking me excuse me. Are you crazy? Jeez. Oh, baby. Thank you, God, that it's just a little scratch. Are you blind or
No, you are the one who is blind. You almost run me over with your car and you even had the effort to slap me. Are you crazy?
How dare you tell me I'm crazy? Are you mad? Are you mad? You thank your God that's just a little scratch, else I would have made you regretted waking up this morning. Do you know who I am? No one talks to me with such disrespect. And I better not set my eyes on you again. You useless, hopeless non-entity. You're crazy. And I will make sure you don't complete your service. How dare you with your sticky body touch my car? Oh, baby. Sorry, baby. And you, this little brat. I will make sure you don't complete your service. You will know who you dared by bringing your sticky body to my baby. Come on, get lost. Church rats.
I don't understand the kind of service most staffs render here. It's so appalling that you don't point out all this.
Sir, I'm sorry. I've submitted most names to be fired. That effect will commence soon.
You better do, because I won't take that nonsense.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
What are you doing here? Listen, this is not your branch, okay? So you don't have any right to walk in and out of this place as you please.
Actually, I do.
No, you don't. I have a youth couple resuming work at my branch tomorrow. I want the both of you to work on an article together. I have an experienced journalist from this branch to help you guys out. Listen, it is serious. So you have to take it seriously. It will be on our second page. It's very important.
Thanks, I will pass.
It is not a request. And if you refuse to do this project, and that means Pinnacle Media will have no choice but to let you go. And that means that you have to find another company to serve.
You can't do that. Dad won't let you.
I'm the editor-in-chief and not Dad. And that means I can do whatever I want to do. And who knows? I just spilled the news of your early discharge to the media. Daddy will not like that. Hey, so I saw you walking out a newspaper. Come here. Let me see what's about.
What's happening now? Oh. What's happening? Oh. Oh. Hello, Tayo, where are you? Tayo, what are you saying? Tayo, you've been my cab man. You were the one who helped me packing my stuffs when I relocated to this place. What are you saying? Why are you finding it difficult to relocate this place? Where exactly are you now, Oga? Where exactly are you? Okay, negotiate your left. That's the direction now, yes. Please, Tayo, please come fast, okay? That's my friend you're carrying. She must be hungry by now. And I'm on the road, please. What's up, girlfriend? Kate, what is wrong?
Please, can we just go in?
Okay, fine. You're back. You're cool? All right, Tayo. Sure. Bye. Let's go. Let's go. Kate. She did what?
That woman humiliated me. She gave me a dirty slap on my face.
Wait, let me get this straight. She tried to run you over. Instead of apologizing, she slapped you.
Oh my God, I was shocked.
And you didn't slap her back?
For me? I couldn't. What?
Kimi. So badie mini maluba. Shoya wereni. Is something wrong with her? Is she mad? No, but you. Why would you allow someone treat you that way? No be worry picking you be again. I mean, no be worry girl you be again. Hey.
Probably not see that woman ever again. I do not even want to see her.
What you dey talk say you feel no see her again? This thing dey vex me. It dey vex me well.
Okay, just can you relax? Let's just forget about it and move on. Okay, I am very, very hungry. Do you have food at home?
Yes, rice and stew dey. But you go for couple. If na me, if na Fumi, you know na.
I know. I know you to go break her head, but let me just get something.
Food dey kitchen. If na Fumi, I go show her madness. They tell me say you no go see her again. As you no go see her again, everything for end well now. Woman slap you say you no go see her again. She for collect back.
Oh, hey baby. You're back already.
Oh yes,
So, how was your day?
Fantastic. Fantastic. And yours?
Stressful as usual, but it's okay.
All right. But you're looking great. You're not looking like somebody who is stressed up.
As usual. Thank you.
Anyway, today was a day. You know Idris, that House of Rep man?
Oh yes, that low class?
Of course.
What happened?
Could you believe that he had the impetus to want to drag my senatorial ticket with me?
How dare he?
Idris of all people.
That low class, that's nobody.
Somebody I made. Can you imagine that? I gave it to him.
I trust my
Who is he?
husband. What the hell is he?
Can he buy a car, just a car, for his own DG?
He's a low class.
Eh?
Shouldn't bother.
I gave it to him.
I trust
Of
you.
course. And everybody supported me. Everybody is aware the things I did for him.
Of course.
You know?
Of course.
Anyway, that ticket is mine.
Definitely.
Yes.
Definitely. They're not compared to you.
Oh, yes.
They're
oh,
not.
yes.
In any way, in all ramifications, they're not
yes.
compared to you.
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Whew. By the way, honey, where did you recruit that clown of a security guard from?
What happened?
You won't believe this. The man almost ruined my preparation for my meeting. He ruined my shoe.
What?
Oh, yes.
The Balenciaga shoe I bought for you as a birthday present?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hell no. I bought that shoe for $5,000 in Milan, Italy. That shoe is 3.2 million. He did what?
Really?
I'm gonna kill that guy.
I asked him, why did you do this? According to him, he said you asked him to punish the shoe, and so he punished the shoe for me.
I told him to use his synthetic polish. He ruined your shoe. I will kill that boy today. No, don't stop me. Hell no. I will kill him. I will strangle him.
Wow. $5,000. All right. For a shoe?
Mom, are you okay? You're still awake.
I can't sleep.
You can't sleep? Okay. I will keep you company while you tell me what the problem is.
Thank you, dear.
So tell me, how was your day?
Wonderful. Except for the part that little pest annoyed me.
Oh. God, what's wrong with all these girls? What has Titi done again? What has she done again? What
Not
did she do
Titi. One idiot scratched my car. Instead of apologizing, she tried to demean me.
Is she mad? Was she blind? Why would she hit you? Mom, are you alright? Were you hurt?
She didn't hit me with her car. She did with her useless thinking body.
Mom, are you sure you were not the one that hit her with your car?
She literally jumped in front of my car! I am the victim here!
Mom, calm down. Was she hurt?
What? Was she hurt? Like seriously? You're asking me if she was hurt? If that's low class, that's that useless, that church rat was hot?
Mom, please calm down. I'm only trying.
Shut your trap! Trying to do what? You care about that useless idiot that hit my car with her stinking body? Are you crazy? Instead of you to care about your mother, you're asking if that's... Are you for real? Like, seriously?
Mom, was she hot?
You're very stupid. You're an idiot. You're as much as useless and stupid as that woman. Come on, get out of my sight. Rubbish. Stupid boy. Useless.
I'm not stupid.
Useless and stupid. Rubbish.
Mommy, yes. I arrived safely. I'm staying with my friend Fumi. Mommy, you worry yourself too much. She's my friend and I met her at the camp. I already told you. Mommy, please, let me just sleep now. I'm tired. You know it was a long journey. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Love you. Bye.
It will do both of us a favor if you don't publish that.
Your father is a criminal. He has stolen so much from this community. I will expose him for the fraud he is.
What are you again? Investigative journalist? You're just a mere blogger, so nobody's going to believe you because everybody knows my father is a reputable politician.
They won't now, but when I get the evidence I need, they will be forced to believe me.
If I catch you snooping around my father, Mr. Akiriti, I will bury you so deep you will never ever be able to claw your way out again.
Are you threatening me, Miss Inem?
Goodbye, Mr. Akiriti. Come in.
Good morning, ma. This is Kate Ogono. She's here to see you, ma.
Good morning, ma. I am so excited to work for Pinnacle Media.
You can go.
Thank you, ma.
Sit down.
Thank you, ma. I am grateful. This is a lifetime opportunity for me. I am so excited to work for Pinnacle Media. Thank you.
You majored in investigative journalism, didn't you? I want information about this man in this file. He's a journalist, a corrupt journalist. And political rivals of Senator Anyefok Uwem have been paying him to smear his name in the mud. Now, if you get me all the information I need, I will publish your story on our front page.
Forgive me. Wait. Thank you so much. Are you saying I will get a byline on the front page of Pinnacle Media newspaper?
Okay, you can go and meet Gift and tell her to show you around. You'll be working alongside a few other couples, so she'll introduce you to everybody. You can leave.
Thank you, Ma, for this opportunity. Thank you.
Everything you asked of me, I've shown you. So, both of you will be sharing this space to work on your project.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, make yourself comfortable.
Wow! I cannot believe this! No, somebody should wake me up from this dream! Gosh! We will be sharing a byline on Pinnacle newspaper! Goodness, this is huge! This is huge! This is great! Woo! And we will be the first ever couples to have an article on the front page of a national newspaper! God, this is great! Are you not excited? Well, I am happy! So, 7 Boza for the state commander. Boza! 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 But, wait a minute. Why did she choose an amateur like me to investigate such an important case? Oh, I see. She was impressed with my grades.
Don't flatter yourself. My sister did it to annoy me.
The editor-in-chief is your sister?
Actually, yes.
I see. Well, that's by the way, okay? We are going to be serious with this project and we're going to give in our best. If it is not important to you, it is to me, okay? This is a dream come true for me and we will have to give in our best.
I'm sure you won't have a problem doing it on your own.
Hey, excuse me.
What are you doing?
What do you mean by I won't have a problem doing it on my own? We are going to do this project together.
What are you doing?
You do not have the right to walk out on me because the editor-in-chief is your sister. Okay? You do not have the right to walk out on me.
My father actually owns this place. She's just a hired help. And I won't be here listening to poor overachiever who doesn't know her place. Now listen. Next time if you try to stop me, I will conk you. Rubbish.
Excuse you, mister. You can insult me as much as you want, okay? But we are going to do this project together. So buckle up.
You're just like my sister.
Thank you.
It's not a compliment.
So I went to the archive and got this document. It will help us with the case. I hope you love reading because there's a lot to read.
What's this?
I think you should look at them. These are documents related to Mr. Ekerite's case. News headlines, articles written by him, and every controversy he has ever been in the center of. What's wrong? Why are you wearing a long face? What is wrong with you?
We are in a very modernized world. You can use the internet. You don't need to read more than 100 pages for information about someone.
Wow. Everything you just said is an indication that you are not a good reader. So if I may ask, why did you choose journalism?
I chose political science.
Really? Then you should be in a government office or something. What are you doing here?
I don't intend to serve the whole year. I mean, serving over there would have been too demanding.
Wow. And you chose the easy way out. Typical rich boy behavior. You know, something just occurred to me. You could be anything in the world. Why did you choose to be a politician?
Just like you said, typical rich boy behavior.
Well, my darling, typical rich boy behavior. Get to work.
You need to come and take these books you got from the archive. It's your duty.
Please get to work, sir. We have a lot to do.
You're back.
Yeah. Oh.
Welcome back.
When did you come back?
I just got back.
How's your day?
My day was fine, and yours?
My day was good and terrible.
Good and terrible. What do you mean?
For me, I just got a lifetime opportunity. But this spoiled, entitled, over-pampered child wants to ruin it for me.
Child?
If he keeps giving me a hard time, I will do the story myself. And that's it.
What child?
Never mind.
My doctor! How many people you give injection today? Correct! Hey! Anyhow you like sweets. Sweets there plenty. Inject the go this side, inject the go this side, inject the go like that. Anyhow, inject all of them, inject there. Wobby. Nonsense. Come. I did talk to your friend just now. Talk to her. My doctor.
Hello, Kate.
Yes. Stand here.
How are you?
Talk to her.
Hi, Juliet. I'm great. I'm doing good. And you?
I hope working in the hospital today is not stressful.
Correct.
Well, everything is going on well. Thank you.
Only doctor.
Oh, okay.
Call this side.
Mama, let me talk.
Okay. And they spread like bomb. And they rise up like mountain.
Hello?
Juliet, can we talk some other time? I have a lot on my desk.
Hello, Kate.
What is that?
She ended the call.
If the call don't finish, you be give away. I give you 4 men talk to person, talk finish you offer. You can't call they give me like that.
She will call you back.
They go. I don't want to hear your matter. Wait first, man, try to call her. Hello? Hello? They go. Carry yourself, they go. I be like pineapple where they not selling me. Nonsense.
So according to the research I made on the internet about this Escalating fellow, he's a very controversial journalist. And he has succeeded in exposing so many corrupt politicians. But there's something about this man. I think he framed them up because he's also corrupt himself. So I think we should...
No, babe. I am not sending any picture of me in my uniform. I'm not gonna send it.
I'm sure you look dashing in it.
No, the opposite of it.
Were you even listening to me?
No.
Who is that?
Nobody. It's nothing.
So, are you showing me your uniform?
I'm not going to show you my uniform. And don't even try to screenshot. Don't try. Before I'm ending this call.
Come in.
Good afternoon, ma.
What can I do for you?
This is for you, ma. From Jotas Aziz newspapers, ma.
Hello, Daddy.
Did you handle that little problem I told you to?
Daddy, Kerrit is not a little problem. He sounded very confident on the phone. I hope you covered your tracks.
I always do. I'm sure he won't find any evidence. But I do not want to start any smoke. I don't need people sniffing around my business.
I will handle it. I told you that. I already have this young couple who's looking for anything incriminating. As soon as she finds anything, no matter how small it is, we'll use it against him.
A copper? Who chose an amateur for this?
Oh, Daddy. She's very, very good at what she does. And I chose her because the Kerete would underestimate her. He will not see it coming, and that is how we will end his career.
This better work. I don't want this mess escalating.
Yes, sir.
So sorry now. Listen to me first. I know I told you before leaving the house that I will do it, but I couldn't do it. That's why I'm apologizing, right? Okay, see what you do for me. Just help me send Tayo, your cab guy, to come pick me up at the office. I'm done for the day. Yeah. Thank you. Of course, you know you can't stay mad at me. Thank you so much. I'm waiting for him outside though. Alright, bye. Love you, girl.
Where are you going? I could drop you.
Thank you. Well, I already called the cab guy.
What's your problem with me?
Are you seriously asking me that?
Yeah, because I'm charming. The ladies always love that.
Or did you mean rude, arrogant, entitled, and spoiled? If that's what you call charming, then fine.
First, I disagree with you. Secondly, you're not a ray of sunshine either. Have you met you?
Of course I have met me. And unlike you, I do not have the luxury to do whatsoever I want. I have just one chance to make it in this life. And if I mess that up, it will not only ruin my life, it will ruin the life of the people that I love. But you won't understand any of that because you were born in the lap of luxury. You do not know how it feels like to fall asleep each day and wake up without knowing where your next meal will come from. Excuse me.
Where are you taking me to? Derek, I said, where are you taking me to?
Relax. We'll soon get there.
What do you mean by relax, we'll soon get there? This is not the way to my house.
Kate, you just have to relax. Okay?
I'm no longer comfortable. Can you at least tell me where you're taking me to? I deserve to know, right?
It's really good to be home.
What are we doing here?
I do know what it's like to fall asleep without knowing where your next meal will come from.
How do you mean?
This is where I spent most of my childhood.
Derek, if you brought me here to mock me and to remind me of where I'm coming from, that is very rude.
Come on, Kate, I didn't mean to insult you.
Akpan and Effiong, is that you or my eyes deceiving me?
Good afternoon, Ma. I'm the one.
Hey.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Afternoon. You don't come the way you used to come before. What happened? And who is this beautiful girl with you?
She's my friend.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Afternoon. You're welcome, my daughter. She fine, no? You're welcome, my child.
Thank you.
She's fine, no?
Yes, she is.
My daughter, you see Akpan and Effiong here. He is my son. He used to live in this compound with me. But today, God, I don't bless them well. They are high and mighty. But he is a very good boy. He still comes to visit me anytime. God will bless you, my son.
Amen.
I'm coming, I'm coming,
All right.
Derek, I am sorry. I'm sorry I judged you harshly, okay?
It's all right. my house.
I can't
Hey, what? My son, help me, eh?
Sorry.
Don't worry, eh? I have my small table here.
Mama, what did you prepare?
As if you don't know, sit down here and, you know, I know what you used to like. Have you changed?
White yam with red oil.
I know you love it.
How?
Or have you changed?
No. Not.
My daughter, please, you people should manage it, eh? I know this one is not the class you used to eat.
No,
but,
Mama, don't say that. See, I actually love white yam and oil. And I'll choose it any day, anytime.
Then I will cook for you anytime you come. You eat.
Thank you, Mama.
Careful so that it won't stain your uniform.
Enjoy you. Go ahead. I've eaten. See my stomach. I know you now.
Mama, can I visit you often?
If it call tomorrow, Seth.
You want to come and finish our yam?
You're welcome. If you need more, I still have more.
No, let's finish this one first.
Thank you, Mama.
It's very sweet.
You know, say you know, tell me, say you did come. No problem.
That's it.
She's such a nice old woman. You know, I wish she had someone to help her out with these house chores.
I've offered her money so many times.
Really?
Yes, but she has refused to collect it.
Why?
She's always content and happy.
Oh, I see.
My family used to be like that too. We were once happier when we had nothing. But now we have everything. It feels like we have nothing.
I'm lost. I don't understand what you're saying.
My father is never around. He used to be a caring father and husband. But now he clings to power. My mother is so desperate that she forgot her old life just because she wants to fit into the circle of the rich and powerful. And my sister hates me so much because she believes my parents value me more than her. Money doesn't bring happiness. It only brings out the darkest demon.
You can say that again.
Yes. Mama! Mama! Mama!
Maybe she slept off.
Let me check. Mama! She's not inside. Don't worry. I think I know where she is. Come here. Just...
Okay. Try come visit me again.
All the time.
Bring her when you're coming next time. Okay. I hope you follow.
I will, Mama. Of course. I'll come and eat another yam and oil.
Mama, thank you for the food.
Thank you for the hospitality.
Nami go thank you. I should be thanking you.
Okay,
Mama,
Mama.
we'll have to be on our way. Bye.
Bye-bye, Mama.
Take care. Don't find trouble, my dear. Don't find trouble.
Yes, Ma.
You find
Bye-bye, Mama. What?
You remembered when you asked me why I chose to be a politician?
Yes, I do. I remember.
It was because of people like Mamito. She's old and helpless. She fetches water by herself. The least the government can do was to provide a good road to work on. People like that are helpless. And I want to become a voice to people like that, just like my father.
You know, that's the same reason I studied journalism. That's why I'm a journalist. I want change. I want to see change in our country. But people usually say that the system is too hard to change because corruption runs too deep. But I usually tell them that we all must be the change, or rather change starts with one person.
Yeah, with one person. Change starts with one person.
You know, it turns out that we are more alike than I thought. We think alike.
Yeah. And it's nice to know you actually care about journalism. And you're not so desperate to have your name on the newspaper cover.
Yeah. I am not desperate to have my name on the newspaper cover. But I am desperate for change. Like I said before, I want to see change in our country. I want to show people that in order for change to happen, we must be the change that we want to see. I'm desperate for change, very desperate.
was that?
Oh, that was Derek. His father is into politics and his sister is the editor-in-chief of Pinnacle Media Company. What?
That's a son of a freaking senator in this town. Everybody knows about their rags to riches story. Ha! Babe.
For real.
Babe, you don't hammer. You don't hammer. The people love his father so much. He is always winning election. The people find him relatable because they believe since he has tested poverty before, he should know what they are going through. Ha! Babe, you just hit a jackpot. I'm happy for you.
Fumi, calm down. Calm down. There's nothing going on between me and Derek. We met yesterday. We're friends today. And that's it. Nothing
babe.
serious. I
No,
don't know
babe,
why
no.
you're exaggerating.
Something must go on between both of you. You have to make something happen. What are you saying? Babe, this is a lifetime opportunity. I don't want you to lose it. Babe, grab me,
Relax.
Okay.
One step at a time, okay?
Okay.
We're just friends. Nothing is happening. Even though I like... No, wait. That was a slip of tongue. I didn't mean it. See, for me, nothing can happen between I and Derek. We are from two different worlds. So just whatever is going on in your head, take it out.
Oh no, babe. Now English you dey speak. And that English now me no want hear am at all. Babe, no miss this opportunity. Me, I'm not joking with you. Which one is from two different words? Who they talk that one? Which one? Babe, grab this guy. Grab this opportunity now. Something must happen between both of you.
Nothing is going on.
Something must go on. I want something to go on between both of you. I want something to go on. Something must go on. Something has started going on. That was why he dropped you off.
You're crazy.
Something is going on. Something is going on already.
Why do you always remove the tomatoes?
Eat your one and enjoy it.
I love eating tomatoes.
I know.
Maybe next time you ask them to give you cucumber.
Okay. If you say so. I'm just good with this pencil anyway.
Mom, Dad, good morning.
Good morning, son. How are you?
Good morning.
I'm fine, Dad.
Aren't you taking your breakfast?
No, Mom, I can't eat now. I'm already late.
But your breakfast is served already.
Mom, I have to rush to the office. I have a lot to do. Yeah.
If you say so.
Bye, Mom.
Bye. Have a nice day.
See you guys later.
See you.
Yeah, if you cannot afford that one, you can afford the other one. Yeah, there are two of them now. If you can't do the full cover page, then you can do like half page. All right, I'll ask her to send you a quotation of our charges. All right. Okay.
And I just hope you won't be distracted, though.
You know,
Yes, Daddy.
I think you are beginning to slack off. Yes. I mean, your brother is just a copper, yet he resumes work before you. Look, don't let me regret making you the head of the company, okay?
For that company, took my husband and I so many years to build.
Exactly.
Good morning, Derek.
This is surprising. You're here early today. What's up? What happened?
I got you food. It's on top of the fridge.
Food. You got me food?
I buy people food. It's nothing special.
Wow. Thank you.
So I did some thorough digging yesterday night. I called lots of people to help me find information on Mr. Escalating Jonah. Surprisingly, he has a clean slate. They said nobody has ever heard of him receiving bribe or anything incriminating. According to the feedback I got, I think he's the good guy.
How is that even possible? I mean, your sister said he is a corrupt journalist, so what you're saying doesn't make sense.
Kate, please. I prefer you call her editor-in-chief. Let's just stick to that. You should eat your food before it gets cold.
Thank you.
So, how was your night?
It was good. Once again, thank you for the food.
Timothy, I am dead serious. This is rubbish. Now, if you don't get me my article by Friday, you're fired. I'm giving you a deadline, and I expect you to meet it. Out. Where's my coffee? I gave you a simple task as giving me coffee every morning, and you cannot do it. If I cannot trust you with a task like that, why should I trust you with anything? Get my coffee.
Sorry, ma. It seems you're having a bad morning. I'll leave and come back later.
I hear you have some information for me.
Yes. Sorry, ma. I think you were misinformed about Mr. Escalating Jonah. That man is actually a decorated journalist and he has...
I don't care what he has done. I know Escalating, okay? And I don't need your lecture on him. I've asked you to dig dirt for me. Is that too much to ask?
It's not too much to ask, ma. But he has a clean slate. He's actually very clean. Derek and I have done an extensive digging. But there's nothing to nail him with. I think he should be considered a journalism hero.
He's divorced.
Excuse me.
His wife divorced him a couple of years ago, based on cheating. Now, the scandal never made headlines, but it's had something to do with an affair with one of the politician's daughter. Now, I don't know who that politician's daughter is. If I knew, I would make it a front story.
I do not mean to...
That is the kind of dirt I'm asking you to dig.
I'm sorry to offend you, ma, but that is his personal life and it has nothing to do with...
This is news! This is a news agency and we publish news here. And I don't care if it's his personal life or not. Get me the information I want. Now, there were so many people who are looking for this opportunity that I've given to you. Don't make me regret doing it.
Yes, ma.
Laura, I'm very busy. I'm very busy now, Laura. I can't talk now. I'm very busy. Please. I will talk to you later. Are you okay?
I thought your sister wanted me to do this because she believes I'm a skilled journalist. It is now clear to me that she thinks I'm one desperate clown who would do anything just for a news cover.
What happened in there?
I want to dig deep into my profession, Derek, and not snooping around someone's extramarital affairs such as Escalating. There are so many news out there to be covered. I cannot be following one man around because he cheated on his wife so many years ago. I can't do that. This is not why I'm here.
I will talk to him.
No, babe. In as much as I am angry, I do not want you to talk to her, okay? I'll handle things myself.
It's okay. Please sit. Sit down. She won't do it!
Whatever happened to knocking, and what is the meaning of this nonsense?
Shove your front page up your ass!
What's the meaning of this?
Aren't you tired of being daddy's little puppet? It's clear that he is the one who wants a dead on Mr. Escalating. Daddy is a decent politician. I don't understand why he would want to ruin a reputable journalist. He has nothing to fear.
How ignorant. Little brother, there is no decent politician. Huh?
Inem, give Kate a different headline to work on. If you don't have any idea, she has a lot that will fit in the front page.
What's so special about this, Kate? Because I look at her and I see an average young girl, but yet you're here. You're ready to defend her, even though you just met her, 2 days ago?
Whatever that is going on in your mind is a figment of your own imagination. Excuse me.
He likes her. He actually likes that girl that reeks of poverty. This is good. This is really, really good. Oh, poor Derek. This is not going to end well. All right.
Thank you for dropping me. But you do not have to do this every day.
We are partners.
Thank you. Thank you also for talking to your sister on my behalf. She gave me a new headline to work on.
She did? Better.
But I've got bad news.
Bad news?
Yeah.
What is it?
She said we cannot work on the new project together. She assigned me to a new copper.
That's what you wanted? The minute you met me in the office?
That was before I knew you. Thank you for letting me see the real you. The real Derek. I have to go now. I have to go.
Don't cross that line. Don't cross that line. This is why they like cricket where they put fire for you. No cross. Cover on the way. They grind pepper. Snake in the monkey shadow. Hey, I don't want you. Okay, one side blue, eh? Wait. Here, push. Yeah, push. Yeah. What? Yeah. Push. Oh, you stand there? I don't want to fight you. Give me my money. I don't want to fight you. I don't want to fight. Give me my money. Unless I tear you into pieces for this your house. I will tear you for this your house. I will tear you. I will tear you now. If you near me. I will tear you. Yeah, push. I will tear you now. If you near me. I will tear you now. Yeah. My money. I will tear you now. Then they dance. Give them another push. Hey. See there. They come. Give them again. Push. Hey. See there. Ready. Bam. Tie the other one top. See this one. Okay. Oh, you are ready now. Come on. Oh, yeah. Push. Hey, now the two of them are the handle. Wow. Snake in the monkey shadow. Give them. My friend, what did they do? Give them. What? You follow me. There. You follow me, I give you. May I give you? That way. May I give you? Hold on. Give her, feed her. If you shake, you just set legs, it's like cockroach. How about, Yeah. What's happened?
They call you for phone.
Mama,
they call you for phone.
Answer the call.
My
friend, answer the call. I will handle problem. Answer the call. Answer.
If you hold my leg.
Hold the fire.
Hold on. Finish it. Give me shot. Come on, finish it. Hold on, finish it. Kill that as you like. Hold this one so I can whip ground. And they can't say they come.
And they what?
No, let's go. My doctor. Doctor man. Alpha. How do you acquire bomb for your body?
Mama, Akwa Ibom is great. Honestly, I love it here. Their food is amazing. God, Mama, their culture is outstanding. And they have so many places to visit. But you know me now, as a workaholic, I haven't had time to even explore yet. So Mama, tell me, how are you?
That's a question. How strong did you like go post? Referee not near me. Trust me now. How far?
Hey, Mama. Okay, have you eaten?
Food. I own chicken leg and the breast for you. One for you. Over tell them they do toothbrush. Not they worry. Now you know they worry for. You don't shop.
Alright. Mama, guess what? Your daughter met someone already.
Who be that?
You like gist. Calm down, I'll gist you. Okay, his name is Derek.
Wait first, get you to the top. Just the counting word make I hear you. You say what?
Yes, Derek. He's an amazing person. And he has so many beautiful sides. Mama, I don't know what. I think I like him. He makes me smile. He makes me happy. And guess what? He is the son of a senator here in Akwa Ibom. Hello? Why did she hang up?
Hello? Hey! Senator. Senator. You never hear anything. You know what happened? Kate St. Jam, Senator Pekin, we want to marry her. Tie him again. My friend, I not plant cassava for field. I plant them for my papa land. And then they grow. Then they spread. Then they hunger. Then they spread. Hey! Senator. Ogana waruwo weyere kere. Ijesu me waruwo weyere kere. Ogana me waruwo weyere kere. Ije myself I not go for nothing. Hey, where are those idiots? Come and go meet them.
Find matches.
Tarek there.
Yes, Mom.
Laura called the other day and she complained bitterly that you seldom pick her calls.
I call her when I can. She's not my girlfriend, so I can't be calling her every day.
I was thinking that before she returns, you both would have started a committed relationship. Laura is a rare fund. If you don't take her seriously, someone will snatch her away from you.
And Kate is also a rare find. She is kind, she is smart, she's intelligent, and she is devoted to her work.
Who is Kate?
Oh, she wrote a second page story in our magazine a couple of weeks ago. Daddy, you read the news, didn't you?
Oh. That annoying journalist who wrote an article about corruption? I mean, why did you even publish that kind of nonsense?
Derek insisted.
Dad, it was a beautiful article.
Says who?
Why am I the only one who doesn't know about this useless Kate? Who wants to use her useless article to spoil Pinnacle Media? Who the hell is she? What is her connection to Derek?
Oh, they're dating. They've been dating for a couple of weeks. How long have you guys been dating for now?
Inem, can you just stop? What? Just stop! Excuse us.
Derek! Who is this poor, low-class, useless journalist that you're dating? Are you not aware of her plans with Laura?
Your plans, Mom, not mine.
Mommy, she's not even a real journalist. She's just a copper, a simple copper. From a poor background, but she has a very bright future. I am sure you're going to love her mother.
Did I hear you say poor?
Yes, and she's from Warri too.
What? What? Warri? Derek of all places! Hell no! How could you descend so low? Hell no!
You think this is funny?
Am I laughing?
Oh my God! Derek, I am disappointed in you. I am immensely disappointed in you. I understand that you're a young man with desires, so I overlook this as a fling without poor children, that low class.
Mom.
Derek.
Mom, listen. It's not a fling. I love Kate. And after our service, I intend to marry her.
Derek, mommy, kill me!
Mommy, just breathe through your nose. Breathe through your nose.
Derek,
breathe.
He wasn't married. What? That poor, low class, nobody riffraff to my family? To my rich, influential family?
Mom, can you just stop? Just stop. Try and understand.
Understand what? I'm irritated. I don't even want to hear about it. Oh, please.
I can imagine.
Please. Oh, God. War? Did you say war? Oh, God, Derek.
Mom, can you just stop? I want you to understand. It's not a thing. I love her.
What? He wants to kill me. I'm having cardiac arrest.
Oh my God.
Wants me. No. No. Marry to my house. Oh no. I feel so irritated. This is so disgusting. Oh, Derek. I am so disappointed in you. Hell no, you're not going to bring that poor thing to my house. What? Church rat to my house? You want to marry a church rat? Oh, hell no. You irritate me. Gosh. What's the call that war? What? To this, just look at this pile of sure. Reputable family. Of all places, worry. Oh no. I think I need water. Yes. I have gasping. I'm gasping for breath. Do you want to carry you? Oh God.
Derek! Come and take your mother!
So one day we'll go sit down like this. You don't want coke, I don't want coke. I take a gilepo for my leg. When we want eat. Hey! So they my pikin for waka. Now senator pikin. Now I see going one marry. Not only that one, I know the boy go soon become senator. Yes! Joseph. This is always said like golden eaglet, so small. And small bread I'll give you. Okay, listen. The day when they go marry the marriage, so eh? You go shop the bread, go meet him. If they drink, I let they stop. Railway station. It's just a flow. You can't put on top of your teeth. If they go inside your belly, then they stop. Now listen, let me tell you one thing. You see that marriage? Eh? By the time they finish the marriage, Joseph, an helicopter. You see this whole street? I go close on.
No.
I go even reach people gate. They close her.
No.
No, I am there.
No, Joe. So, you are here eating coke and mineral.
Hey.
You even have yam. Yam and goat. Why you are still owing me? You are proud sitting here drinking coke and bread. Eh? Okay, no problem. I am here to tell you that your house rent is due. I need my money.
Now God will punish you. Eh? That Lord, now God will punish you as you see me down here, sit down here, so I'm not the parent again.
Why? Now your landlord didn't talk to like this, oh?
Yes! I'm not the parent again. As you see me as I be government official. My pikin don't marry better person. Go look inside the house. Go there, go look whether that 100,000. Go put for the weather is still there. If not, you don't collect the rent.
Oh, when I get money inside the house, now you when I there here they talk.
They follow this you they talk. I say go look there. Whether that 100,000 will carry come from market today there. You sit there like dry fish.
Oh, you go bring the money now. You go tell me say you wait for me, make I come. You go tell me say you wait for me. Tell me say you go.
What do you want to take? No, wait first. What do you want to take?
There is love in sharing. Let me be eating at least before the rent come now. Eh? I traced your voice down here at the backyard. And I met you eating bread and this. So, hey, please, Bobo, please bring the money, so that I will go. I don't even know that you've been keeping the money for me since. I didn't know.
Sit down there like don't long to not done well. That will be like Montes bottle. Now your house rent is over answer.
How?
It's bush. Where are they staying in bush?
See, let me tell you. Watch your tongue, go. Watch your tongue. Let it not be that you are writing your quick notice indirectly. This coke is this. This one is that. You look like donut. Be careful with me. Oh. You are talking to your landlord. Oh.
You don't, Chris. That will be like Montes bottle. You did a lick mouth like who shop fresh fish with thief from market. See your face. Be like I'm robber. I'm robber when I get license to work. You the Chris. You pass my pal on this side, your heart not continue. Meanwhile, that one way you do your house, so you know, say Nigeria now they go up. Now 200 naira they sell them. As you do your house, it don't become 4. Your house rent half don't go. Passing my pal to this place alone, I know say my money we did the don't value because you the thief.
Which kind will be that? You open that you open eye on top. Be careful with me. Don't provoke me, the landlord, so that I will not be angry. in order to add more. Do you hear me? Please let me be enjoying before the.
You don't Chris. Close this your left before I begin mess for top of my chair. Closer. You don't close.
Joe!
This guy village headmaster for this. Where do you find call here?
My house rent.
Your house rent. Now go punish you, I know they pay. I know they pay. Now me first owe rent. Buhari they owe. That day they say not stay for house rock. They owe. So what you come? Me as you see me here so now senator picking and my picking the marry. So if you not take time, when I sell this house finish, I go sell you.
Okay. See, let me tell you, this one you are just making noise. You're picking the marriage, senator, the marriage. It's your own business. All I know is my house rent. See, I will not live here without going with my house rent. Take it or you leave it.
What did they have?
Meanwhile,
What did they have?
You did not cook? Person where all they eat, person where all they. See, I don't want to be angry with you. Your daughter may marry the senator or whosoever she like, but you see that my rent, don't play with it.
You don't take the rent.
Huh?
Mommy, I am really worried about you. That is why I skipped work today to stay at home with you.
Who is this kid? How do I see her? Maybe we could pay her off for something.
She's not the type of girl.
I will not accept any poverty-stricken gold digger into my family. Hell no! Can't you just see that all she wants is his money? I want you to tell me about it.
I just found out about it, Mommy.
No. I won't let that poor, low-class riffraff into my family. Hell no!
I feel bad for Derek, but I just have to help somehow. I have an idea. It will make everybody in the family happy.
Oh, really?
Mommy, calm down.
You sure you have something that will get rid of that girl?
Yes,
from his
I know,
life?
but you need to take a chill pill. Calm down.
I wouldn't let this poor, useless, low-class girl into my family.
Yeah. But you need to.
Okay, so what was the plan?
I'll tell you, but Mommy, I just need you to breathe. Don't lose your head because of Derek.
Oh, God, you won't understand.
Mommy, listen. Don't lose your head for this boy.
I will not allow that poor, stricken, gold digger, useless.
Calm down, Mom! Calm down! Daddy, you sent for me.
Yes. What is this nonsense I'm hearing about Derek dating that crazy journalist?
Daddy, it is true. And you know, Derek, he is not a good judge of character. I believe that girl is a wretched gold digger who is going to suck him dry. I am really bothered that you chose Derek to walk in your footsteps. I am.
All right, so what are your plans to stop this nonsense from escalating into something very unpleasant?
I will advise you and Mommy invite the girl and her parents over for like a proper introduction. And then you secretly give the parents money. Tell them to keep their daughter away from your son. And all this will be captured with a hidden camera. And when they leave, we'll play the tape for Derek so that he can see them for who they really are.
Are you sure this will work?
Daddy, poor people are the same all over. They will do anything for money, no matter how small.
It's okay, all right. By the way, thanks for handling that Escalating problem. I mean, how did you do it? He was always snooping around my office, but now he's nowhere to be found.
Daddy, it was very, very easy. I realized that his wife divorced him based on the count of domestic violence and not infidelity, like we thought. And when I found out, I sent her some money and asked her to give me a recount of her experience. She sent the tape to me. Ikiriti crawled back into his shell when I played the tape for him. I just told him that I was going to end his career with that.
Wow. Smart girl.
Thank you.
You are a smart girl. That's why I always love you. Eh?
I took after you, Daddy.
Come on. I love you.
I love you too, Daddy. So, you're good?
I'm good. Thank you.
Do you want some coffee? Something to drink? Some tea? Anything?
Yes, I should take something from you.
All right, I'll make you tea for you. I'll make you some tea.
My darling. Yes, it's good to have a good daughter.
What I feel for you is so real, from a place that is so deep, like the ocean, far beyond where eyes can reach. What we share is so, so strong, is unbreakable. When two hearts beat as one, love sparkles and blossoms like flowers. Nothing matters to me but your love. I'm feeling that so, so strong. I feel butterflies, but no matter what comes our way, we keep standing on our feet. We are never losing hope. When there is love, nothing is impossible. When there is love, nothing is impossible. When there is love, nothing is impossible. No matter what comes my way, we keep standing on our feet. We are never losing hope.
I am sorry about it. I clearly overreacted. Sometimes I act the way you don't agree with. That is because I love you so much, my son. And I want the best for you.
You don't, Mom. Mom, you don't. Because if you do, you will know that Kate is the best woman for me. Laura is a great friend, but we will never be in love. We are so different. I can't be in love with Laura. It's Kate that I want.
Let me meet with her family. I'll take care of all expenses. Their flight tickets, accommodation, feeding. I'll take care of the whole expenses. Let me meet with her family.
Esto, I have heard a lot about you, and I was told that you're a professional. Please, I do not want any delay after production, okay? I need to process those pictures and videos ASAP.
You don't have a problem when it comes to this.
So I heard.
Just
So you just... Hey, babe.
You enjoy the final production.
Calm down, what is it?
You won't believe this.
What is it? What happened?
My parents want to see your mom.
Wait, what? Wait.
Yes!
How? What did you tell them? What did you say?
I'm so happy.
What I feel for you is so real.
I'll talk to you later. I'll call you. Are you serious?
Listen, this is what I need you to do for me.
Okay.
I need you to send me your family details.
You're serious?
Just send me their details.
Oh my goodness.
My mom wants to pay their flight ticket. Everything, she'll take care of it.
Oh my God! Wait, but can my mom come with her best friend? You know she has the best friend.
She can come with anybody. No, just send me their details.
But no matter what comes our way, we keep standing on our feet.
Mama Joe, Mama
We are
Joe.
never losing hope.
Come on, to these people they said come before we go like market don't close. The gun don't finish. I will spend second this evening.
When there is love,
Mama Joe.
nothing is.
Ade come, Ade come. Your blood to the heart. Your blood to the heart. Hello. Kate.
Nothing is
You say? You say anything? Wait first. Now invitation on a Sean invite. Anyone. Let's say they speak English now. Where you call you go teach me? Tomorrow. Even if Nana self, I go fly. We see they use granite. They fly those days. I feel like you mean now invitation? And they come now. What do they do for you? Yes, sir. Bam! You don't correct. My friend. Now go with it.
Where would they go?
Now go with it.
Where would they go?
Hey!
What did they happen?
Get now. Get us make we come. Make we come meet am for yonder. So me and you, aeroplane. Which one they take your hand the face? Now take our face up. Zai! Boom! For yonder. I say you never understand what I talk. Bring your hand down. You sure? Let your mind. Look where.
I'm not understand what you did.
Yeah, I know so you don't understand. Let me get the look since like moon when not shine where. Now listen to me. Kate. Say make we dey come meet am for where you dey. Now see the aeroplane now we go take from here. Go yonder. Now you don't get that. Yes, tire where. So me and you, fiam, we dey go meet am. Hey! Yes, sir. Hey, Akpawere! The life is sweet. I dey call LG. This life is sweet. Ogwo, damkere ogwo. Ogwo, damkere ogwo. Ona melobiya. Oda di shene. Bare ya waria. Ona melobiya. Oda di shene. Bare ya waria. Ogwo, damkere ogwo. Ogwo, damkere ogwo. Ona melobiya. Oda di shene. Bare ya waria. Ogwo, damkere ogwo. Let us go. Hey. Turn on. Get, what are you eating?
Mama,
what do you at the shop? See your body. Fool me.
Food.
Hey.
Mama, you're welcome.
Hey.
How you doing? Yeah. Big boy.
Mommy. No, doctor. Son, dance for me. Oh yeah. Give it to me. Dance. Dance for me. Oh, my ducky. Hey, I love the pass, Abi.
Yes, let's go.
Hey, fool me.
What is keeping them? Could it be that their flight is delayed?
should come and let me get done with this.
Madam, food already. Everything already.
Really? That's good. Good girl. Very good girl. So what you do now, make sure you set everything nice. I'm expecting some visitors. So go and get things ready.
Yes, madam.
Good girl. So. Go. Skipping them now. Skipping these people. What's keeping them? I'm tired of waiting. Let them come so that I'll just get done with this. Oh, gosh. Was it that their flight was delayed?
This gas. Why be say na now when you know say you go finish? Why this gas go finish now? Me we do already tell madam say food don't ready. Everybody don't sit down, they wait for me. I go now come carry my dead body now and go inside there now and come tell and say, madam, the thing be say you never ready too. Now be say they go bury me kuku now. They go kuku dig ground, carry me put there. Cause now I remain. Because they can't beat me I go receive this afternoon. My village people no go like her. And this thing don't they spiritual. If not, how, gas, I offend you. I do you bad thing, gas. Now you know say you go finish. Me, you know finish that time why madam never call me. I do already go tell madam say you dey, everything dey okay, say food don't done. Only for me to enter kitchen, you don't finish. I go take now and go back again now and go tell madam say the thing be say gas wey suppose don't done the food, you know come done am again, gas no dey. Now my village people they follow me. What do they do here, you?
This one when you dey yarn like this, they talk gas. This
No be gas.
Wetin happen?
No be gas. You know, sir, I don't tell madam say food don't ready. I can't enter kitchen, I can't carry stew. It be say gas don't off, stew just dey there, they dry water. Stew no done. Gas don't finish.
My sister, no vex now. Wetin we dey see for this house? Forget this gas. You get wetin I want. You get wetin I hear. I hear say Oga Derek wife don't come back from Obodo Yibo. Not true?
You, Eliza, sure you know say you mad. No, agree. Say I agree. Say I decrease. Sure you know say you decrease. You dey stupid. Where? So, this thing why they talk now, I take consign Oga Derek.
I know say gas spoil, but we go still, you know.
Gas no spoil. Shut up. Me person no go kill me. You no spoil.
No
He
verse.
finish.
No verse.
What
Gas.
you do, mumu?
No verse. Gas finish. But you know say you be my personal person. Nobody go. You know say this person now no dey give gist now better like that. Give me gist.
Make I give you the one why here. Make come out here. May I go face my own problem, Jeje.
Yeah.
Hey, come out. See the beating when madam beat me, still they pay me, still they touch me.
No verse.
That day, come close. I no fish out. That day where you come out. So everybody for her house catch fire. Everybody they do. But the madam, the one where they don't marry, the one where no green married, the one where everybody.
You bad.
No, you know, you gotta respect me. Because I mean they get the mail information. You know me now. I come there for door. They make I know what they happen. Make I know whether I don't reach. Make we run. So from where I come here say, God Derek, you don't carry another babe. Come, you don't get another babe. But the thing inside be say, madam and Oga, they don't like the woman. Now be the casala with
Eweleke, this one na better G. Give me knuckle. You sabi?
I make they respect me for this house.
But wait, but why they can't they prepare to see her like that? Why?
You chop winch this girl. See, which one concern me? Which one concern you where they ask me? I know anything. My own be say, Titi, madam, cook ewedu, cook egusi, cook olodo. I go cook everything.
What did they pay me be say, if we can't cook this thing finish, they could still beat us on top.
They go
this house.
If you see the one where madam beat me, for kitchen, you know, see my back. She beat me, like beat me.
But you know what the way you tell me now, no be my problem. Very soon, I go japa for this house. See this house,
Where one japa go? Go meet your papa for village.
I get papa, and I dey here. They punish me like this.
Madam, you get papa.
See, make I
say
tell
your papa no
you.
get money. You get.
Forget that. Make I tell you one thing. Very soon, my sweetheart, my yoko,
Ogene,
my joko,
Ogene,
go finish your house for village. You go carry me waka. You dey here, they carry gas.
You get sweetheart. We do already the big house for village. Your yoko. I find pass you now. That one I know. But me, sweetheart, I no get. The one self where they pump tire, I no get. How you manage get sweetheart? We do already the big house. You go soon finish her. You self go moving. How?
You know, say this life na grace. Not be for fair.
Forget
no
am, Elisa. Grace.
Na grace.
You know even see grace.
Well,
half liter of grace.
Make I tell you, my baby.
Tell me.
Na Udo.
Now wait. Which Udo? No verse.
I go dey kill my joy like this. Udo na get man.
This guy dey crazy.
Thank you. Man, how's this?
Joseph. Mama.
Hey!
Mama, don't shout. Joseph, can you stop? Mama, stop shouting. Don't shout.
My pikin. Forget embarrassment.
Hey! My friend.
Now, how's for this?
Yes.
All these cars now, get her.
Yes, Mama. Mama, please, can we go inside?
My friend! Go inside. Hey!
Go, don't do it.
Take another one again! Yes! Me!
Yes!
Inside this place! Come on, take this one! Where you go?
You go there.
You go inside the bus scooter. I'm looking for the bus scooter.
I jump shaking.
You go there, We'll go inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is.
What are you doing?
You don't believe it. Let's go inside, man. God, let's go inside. Help! This one.
Oh, and this one I'll carry go to go.
Joe?
Mama.
Dad. Mom. Meet Kate.
You? What the hell are you doing in my house? Did I not warn you not to get close to me ever? Or close to anything that belongs to me? What are you doing here? Crazy. Rubbish. Nonsense, useless idiots. Poverty-stricken people. Will you shut up before I slap you?
Why did you pour her wine?
Shut up! Have you cause to step your filthy feet into my house?
Kate! Kate! Babe! Babe! Babe, please come back!
Poor church rat. Low class riffraff. This is 100,000. Use it and find your way back. Get your filthy feet, smelly body out of my house. Rubbish.
What that down? What that down? Now, boy, another grace. Another grace. I get integrity, another thief. Take. Now that down, why you try it? If you try it. If you try it.
Give my shit. Get out of my house. You fool.
Love you.
Poverty-stricken fool.
You, Abby?
You can't do nothing.
Love you.
Get out!
I will catch you.
Carry your smelling body out of here.
Mark my face.
Who are you?
I'll be worried.
Get out!
Get out. Wait for me.
Please, take your smelling body out of my house. Look at them. Poor, hungry people. Rubbish. Get out!
I don't know why people will get condolences.
Take your smelling body out of my house. Look at this, look at the rag. I don't even use this as rag in my house. Smelling dirty ass. Carry your dirty smelling ass out of my house. Can't get out. Get out, please.
Come,
smelling things.
Hungry
poor church rat. Get out. Get out. Come, get out. Rubbish.
Mama, I am sorry. I have humiliated you in the worst way ever. I think it is time for you to know the truth. I lied about my degree. It was never medicine. I studied journalism. Mama, that was because I wanted to make you proud. I'm sorry.
I begin, me go tell you sorry. Let me go tell you sorry. I don't fail you like mama. I don't be good mama for you. I don't get money. I don't get money. I don't go thief. That makes me useless.
No,
Mama.
My friend, you don't do.
No. You are not useless. You're the best.
You are the best mother any child could ask for. You're the best thing that happened to me and Joe, Mama. You starved yourself so that we'll have food to eat. Mama, you wore torn clothes. I remember how you would give me all your savings just for me to be okay, Mama. You walked under the sun and in the rain just to make us comfortable. Mama, you wore torn clothes for us to wear new ones, Mama. You're not useless. I love you. And if there's a life after this one, Mama, I would still want you to be my mother.
I don't agree. That money I love you. I love you, baby. Because I am poor doesn't mean I'm stupid. God, why?
Kids, stop crying. Mama, stop crying, please.
I won't go. I won't go to my husband's house. I don't tire to stay here. Because if I stay here, I could find that woman go. Get her go grind her. The woman take money stole me for her. Don't see my because I'm poor. God, where you there? Where your papa there for grave? I won't go. Thank God, sir, I go free back there. Tomorrow, 5 o'clock.
My friend.
Where they go?
My friend.
Jesus. He's a too much. He's a too much. He's a too much. That boy, they crazy. That boy, they crazy. I like my begin answer that goes. No worry, you go better. You don't better finish. You be my investment and all lots.
Yes.
You be riches, like me everything. My integrity better pass. Yeah? I go. When you stay here small, come. Oh? Yeah? Because I go kill the woman if I catch her. I go cry her like I said the cry pepper. I go blow her. I go bite her. I go bite.
It's okay. I want you to stay with me for a while.
I go this or too much. Too much. Oh, you are okay.
Where are you going to? David, come back here. Stop! That poor leper and her people almost blinded your mother. And instead of you to stay back and fight for me, you ran after that useless poor church rat. Now you're carrying your bags to go where?
Derek! Derek! Where do you think you are going to?
What is wrong with all of you? What exactly is wrong with all of you?
Derek, you need to watch it.
Will you shut up in there? I am not a puppet like you. I have the right to say what I want to where I want it. Mom, what has wealth done to all of you? What has wealth turned all of you into? This is not the same family I was brought up in.
Mom, do you remember how badly you used to complain of how Daddy's boss treated him? How you swore never to be like that?
After graduating with a first-class degree in political science, for that matter, here I am, answering sir to that arrogant fool, just so I can make a few hundreds to take care of my family. Hi.
It will get better. And when it does, you will create opportunities for people. Because you know what it's like to have fun. Hi.
If and when God blesses me with wealth, I will help whoever I come across that needs help. As a matter of fact, my help to poor people will know no bounds. Knowing full well how difficult it is after having the ability and certification to work, and there is no opportunity to do so.
Hey. We will help others. Because when we needed help, no one was there to help us. And nobody deserves to go through that.
Derek, have you eaten?
You might have had nothing back then, but you had my love, respect, and adoration. You had it all, Dad. You had everything.
Times change, and people change with them.
No, you never changed. Maybe you all were blood-sucking vampires, and wealth just exposed the real you.
Shut up! Do you know how your father and I worked so hard to give you the life that you're enjoying now? Do you know? And the best you could do is to be grateful. Be grateful, Derek. Derek, be grateful!
I'm grateful for the education you gave me. And now I can make out something with it in my life.
What?
I don't want anything else from you people, for this has demarcated us. You all are so poor that the only thing you have is money. Just money. Just money.
Derek, will you come back here? You ungrateful idiots! Come back here!
What I feel for you is so real, from a place that is so deep, like the ocean. Far beyond where eyes can reach, what we share is so, so strong, is unbreakable. When two hearts beats as one, love sparkles and blossoms like flowers.
Is he right? Are we that poor that all that matters to us is money?
It is true that we changed. It is for the better.
My son hates me. My daughter is still a bachelorette all because of me. I've always said that when I have money, I will build orphanages. But all I have done is build houses that I don't even live in.
Have you forgotten when we were down? Nobody helped us. We practically clawed and climbed to the top.
There was a time when all that never mattered. All that matters to us was to help people. And I forgot. Please, don't let this make me lose my son.
Daddy, you asked for me?
Yes, I did. And I need you to publish in the headlines tomorrow. Construction begins at Andem Roundabout.
Daddy, you really don't have to do that. I took care of the matter already.
In said, I need to do that. I need to carry out all the projects that are expected of me as a senator representing my constituency. My people voted for me because they believed in me. But I'm afraid I failed them. I wonder why I allowed greed to blind me like this. I want to make amends. I'm so ashamed of myself.
Daddy, I will do whatever you ask of me.
Enemesid. Thank you. I hope it is not too late to say this. I'm very proud of you. You are the pride of this family. When I handed over Pinnacle Media to you. It was like a little seed. But today you have blossomed it. It has grown into a very big tree. Thank you very much. Don't ever forget this. You are a blessing to this family. Come here. I love you so much.
I love you, Daddy.
Thank you.
happened to you. I know you are a strong woman. I want you to put yourself together and move forward, okay? Forget about everything that has happened, okay? Just put yourself together, baby girl, okay?
Thank you so much for me. Thank you for being my friend. Thank you for all you did for me and my family. I truly appreciate you.
You're welcome, my darling.
God bless you.
Amen. I miss you. I miss you. If I have my way, I wouldn't let you go, but you've made up your mind already.
It's okay.
Kate!
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
I'm sorry. Kate, I'm sorry. I have denounced all. Their cars, their money, their status. I've left all that behind. It was never mine. It was my father's. I've been poor. I've been rich. And I will gladly be poor again if that means I have you. Please, Kate, don't go away from my life.
Get out. Get out this minute. Get out! I said get out.
All I have are my ambitions, dreams, aspirations, and undying love for you. You said that love is not enough, but I'm here to prove you wrong, that your love is enough for me. Please marry me and let's build our life together.
That will be over my dead body.
Kate, why? I've left everything.
Tayo, let's go. If he doesn't want to lift the way, run him over.
No, that's one.
Don't attack on me. I've left everything behind. I've left everything.
Get away.
Never, please stop.
Get!
Mom, what are you doing here? What are you people doing here? What are you doing here? What? Dad, what? What are you doing here?
Derek, I'm sorry. Kate, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry to you. I'm sorry to your family. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry. Please. Please, my daughter. Oh, please.
Please, my son.
Please.
I'm sorry. You see, we were blind, but now you've opened our eyes. Please. My daughter Kate. Please. I'm sorry. We're such terrible hosts. On behalf of their nephews, I apologize. Please, forgive us. Please. We're sorry, please.
Is this another deceptive tool?
No, it's not. I know I have not been the best big sister to you. I'm sorry. I got jealous.
I'm really sorry. Please, my son. Please. Derek, I know mommy loves you. I'm sorry. Please, I miss you. I'm sorry, my son. I missed you so much. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please. Please. Miss you.
So deep, like the ocean, far beyond where eyes can reach. What we share is so strong, is unbreakable. When two hearts beats as one, love sparkles and blows up like flowers. Nothing matters to me but your love. I'm feeling that so strong. I feel butterflies. But no matter what comes our way, we keep standing on our feet. We are never losing hope. Love, nothing is impossible. When there is love, nothing is impossible. When there is love, nothing is impossible. Never losing hope. When there is love, nothing is impossible. When there is love.